made of steel. Nothing moves. You continue to push forward, never knowing what it means to retreat. Only forward can you go. Look at people with mind, very weak disposition. I need men and women made of steel. Nothing moves. You continue to push forward, never knowing what it means to retreat. Only forward can you go. Look at people with mind, very weak disposition. I need men and women made of steel. Nothing moves. You continue to push forward, never knowing what it means to retreat. Only forward can you go. Look at people with mind, very weak disposition. I need men and women made of steel. Nothing moves. You continue to push forward, never knowing what it means to retreat. Only forward can you go. Look at people with mind, very weak disposition. I need men and women made of steel. Nothing moves. You continue to push forward, never knowing what it means to retreat. Only forward can you go. Look at people with mind, very weak disposition. I need men and women made of steel. Nothing moves. You continue to push forward, never knowing what it means to retreat. Only forward can you go. Look at people with mind, very weak disposition. I need men and women made of steel. Nothing moves. You continue to push forward, never knowing what it means to retreat. Only forward can you go. Look at people with mind, very weak disposition. I need men and women made of steel. Nothing moves. You continue to push forward, never knowing what it means to retreat. Only forward can you go. Look at people with mind, very weak disposition. I need men and women made of steel. Nothing moves. You continue to push forward, never knowing what it means to retreat. Only forward can you go. Look at people with mind, very weak disposition. I need men and women made of steel. Nothing moves. You continue to push forward, never knowing what it means to retreat. Only forward can you go.
Continue to remember.
On this day, May 30th, 2026, the United States of Biafra government is inviting all Biafrans from Ijo to Efik, Ibibio, Anang, Igbo, Igodomigodo, Ogoni, Oron, Ogoja, Ichekiri, Urobo, Egala, and all our people to remember our heroes, Team, from sacrifice to stability. We honor the past, we build the future. Saturday, May 30th, 2026. From 10 a.m. in the morning till 2 p.m. in the afternoon at Washington, D.C. office. From 2 p.m. in the afternoon till 10 p.m. in the night at Churchill Hotel. Address is at 1726 Connecticut Avenue, Northwest Washington, D.C. Postal code 20009. From sacrifice to stability.
All right, welcome back. So I have some people in the comment. It's not gonna sound official. Okay, in the south, Udewo. Keije. Say greetings to you, Ogakai. Udewo, my brother. I greet you. Let me greet you first. We have Oliver also. Oliver, I greet you. You are the first to make comments. I see you, Oliver. And Divine Precious is in the house. I greet you. Said my brother, Ndewo to you. Dear friends, Ndewo no. Oliver also said, good afternoon, Maz. All right, these are the people that made comments so far. And we are 6 minutes to the program, so I'm not going to waste much time. Honestly, yesterday we encountered a lot of challenges, but today I believe things may be different. Hopefully. So we are going to start, like, there's this attack from Fulani people in Igbo state. Some people say in other states. I don't know which way, but there's attack in our land, in Biafra land, in eastern part. And that attack, a lot of people have made video about it, live videos. In fact, I have some videos on my WhatsApp, which I have not even shared all of them because I received a lot of videos in that regard. So I made it public to most of us, in our WhatsApp. To some people that requested for it individually, I shared it as well. Daniel, I see you. Jerry, I see Jerry Okonkwo. Jerry, you are welcome. And we have Daniel. Daniel, I see you. Hello, Mr. Kai. There, my brother, Mr. Daniel. Greetings to you. Please don't forget to like the video. Please, I'm begging you on that. Very, very important. Obi-Wan, I hope you are okay. I wish you all the best, my brother. Now, that video, the by man also. Honestly, a lot is going on. That video of that Fulani attack, I made a video about it, but that video, I couldn't get it out there because the owner of the platform were kind of checkmating me on that. They're trying to investigate one or two things, and that video was actually, not released. But I have asked this question. Does it mean that, because we used to hear from Ukenga, he always said that, let me take this comment down. So so you understand what this guy normally said. He'll be bragging, that we have a spider web. So this web, somebody's in the web. And my question is, this spider that is producing these cobwebs, are they not actually magneting all that things? Must it be only Igbo people? God. Honestly, our people have a long way to go. Who brought this spider in our land? The spider that can only magnet indigenous people. But this spider cannot checkmate the activities of Fulanis around. And we also have another people who happen to be in the US who claim they have ESN, or that is under their control, that their job is to comb the bushes, and they are the one protecting the bushes that nothing will penetrate. Should I go on? Anyway. The annoying part of all this nonsense is that innocent people are the one paying the price. Innocent people, they are the one paying the price. Because I saw videos of young child, a little child, and so many things going on. And that triggered a lot of questions. That is actually, if you actually say to yourself, you need to ask yourself some basic questions like, how long are we going to continue this way? We are living in denial because we know, personally, I know that a time like this will come when things will be very, very hot. This is just a preamble, to be honest with you. More like that is going to come. It's a matter of time. But for how long are we going to, massage stupidity? You see them giving you some excuses. Oh, I have the donate. If they have bring money, it's only ESN protecting our land, protecting our bushes. Last time I see the activities of ESN is where they're chasing cow. I don't know if they're eating the cow. I don't know. I don't know. Now, it is obvious that Fulani people are attacked. And mind you, those people that are making this video are not actually Biafran agitators. These are just normal people who may not have any concern about what to do, who to believe on. These are just people that are waiting, like the Nigerian government have conditioned people to be. Just fold hand and wait for a bag of rice, or probably maybe 5,000 for them to buy your vote. Their job is to use you like an object. These are the people making videos, shouting, calling for help. I don't need to start, analyzing those videos for you, because I've been on social media for days now. I think for 2 days now, if I'm not mistaken. And many of you saw the videos, different videos to that matter. It's not just one. It's not from one woman or from one man. A lot of people made different videos just to report what happened. And these are live videos. Okay? People that are injured. So, people that they shot, some of them, they use knife on them. You have seen the video. They know who actually attacked them. They let you know this. Imagine somebody with, that are injured. The person will be running propaganda. Is that what you're trying to tell me? Because you know why I'm saying this? We are here to tell you, because I've been to Ikegurago platform. I did not see any news like that. I've been to Jovika. No news in that regard. Okay? The latest saboteur of Chimbese, she's there as well. Nothing, no reports whatsoever. Keshosu, nothing. I have not seen them. Only Udele. So, without wasting much of your time, let us hear what Udele said. But before then, let me welcome Triple M is in the house. I see a Triple M. Said greetings to you, Mazeka, in reporting. There were Triple M. And again, he said greetings to you, all my genuine fellow Biafran citizens. And we have Mercy. Good afternoon, my brother. Good afternoon to you, Mercy. You are welcome. Our people will always like to learn in a hard way. We are going to learn. I'm not going to be part of it. That's just a fact, because I already know where to place my foot. But they are going to learn in a hard way while learning new things. They will learn new things. They will. I'm assuring you that. And some people are thinking the way I'm thinking. In as much as it's painful to see innocent people paying with their blood, life being wasted and all that, is very, very painful to see. But that, to be honest with you, I'm sorry to announce to you that is inevitable. It is inevitable, because those that actually know what to do are busy. In the word of Master Namodekan, I always refer you to what happened in 1967. If you check the history, the pogrom and everything, you realize that if not the level of buying of our people in North, many of our brothers in the East may have not volunteered to do the needful. All right. But they did it because of the level of atrocities committed against our people from the north. And for us to unite again for final push physically, it may require that kind of buying of our people again. God forbid, I don't wish for that. That is why we keep on raising this alarm. For us to do what we can do, you must be proactive. Otherwise, you will learn in a hard way and you also learn new things. Because that is what some people are wired to be like that. Udele decided to voice out. You know, Triple M said, it is time to defend ourselves. It is way too late. Okay? Anybody anybody that have not learned that now, by now, I mean, you must be a joker. Honestly, self-defense is now. It has always been like that, my brother. Those criminals will never ever carry the news. How can they carry it? That learning in a hard way is the only thing that will make our people sit up, because they are very stubborn. Is that stubborn or stupid? I see it as stupid. Very, very stupid. Greetings from Japan. United States of Biafra is winning all over Biafran land. The enemy are fighting the last fight. I greet you, Emeka Justin. There we Chukuma Eze, I think Eze book. Let me call Chukuma Eze. He said, Mazaka, I greet you. Richly remain blessed. There we thank you so much. Good afternoon, Mazaka. Good afternoon to you. I see you. You said again, God bless you, you and your family. Thank you so much. And why I did not mention your name, because your name appear here as email, so I don't know which of them is your name. He said again, all must help Biafra. There were greetings from Malta. Oh, nice to have you. Please hit like button. Yes, so very, very important. Hit like button. And Ezekiel said they will not carry the news because they are part of the problem, not part of the solution. I cannot forgive my brother. Yeah, spot on. My vote counts one. Okay. He said your name is I think you're trying to pronounce your name. Jao. Is it Jao? Please, that sounds like Spanish. What is your Igbo name? Your Igbo name is preferred. I'm Chinese Biafra. Okay, Chinese Biafra. All right. Are you married to Biafra man? Are you a lady or a man? Let me understand. I'm a Chinese Biafra. You must be a lady. Jao. I hope did I pronounce it well? Is it Jao? Chinese. You're welcome, my sister or my brother. God bless you. Thank you for joining us. He said, Triple M said, the guy kindly hit like button. Thank you so much, Triple M, and share. Very, very important that you do so. And okay, by marriage, all right. You are. You're welcome. You're highly, highly welcome. So I got the pronunciation. Thank you so much. And my husband is Biafra. Okay. Happy to have you. Thank you for joining us. Yes, you got it right. Thank you. All right. So let's proceed. Like I told you, Udele decided to, yeah, Obi-Wan is welcoming our wife. That is Jao. He said, welcome our wife. There we go. Let's hear what Udele said here. It's quite interesting. He decided to, in fact, let me not be what to say. Hear him. They go one day work back again.
Yeah, we're back. Hopefully, there wouldn't be any hitch right now. Can you people hear me? If you can hear me, thumbs it up. Give me a thumbs up.
Now let me tell you something. This guy, each time something happened that he struggled to defend, like some, that's why I said I give it to him because he's a very proud saboteur. Like he don't shy away from those things. Like he don't. It doesn't matter. Jovita will now will remember that he's a priest. I'm telling you, this breaking news, he will see him start prophesying. He will carry his Bible this week. That children of God, we need to go through. Children of God, children of God, we need to go through Bible. The Bible says in book of Jeremiah. We need to also love one another. He will be preaching Bible. Why waiting for breaking news to continue where his own sabotage? A very fearful saboteur. But you see, like he's very well grounded in sabotage. But you see that man, you see the book. He will come out and start preaching Bible, singing song. Then he will realize that he have voice to sing gospel song for days. Why waiting to unleash on other things? You see, why you agree? How can I mention that we have spider web? We this guy don't know that he's in the web. In the web, the web cannot actually monitor the movement of this terrorist, and they will be the first to tell Igbo ga-adị mma ọzọ, Igbo ga-adị mma ọzọ. Nke a dịka adụ nọ na osi ụtụkwa, ọ ga-apụta kịta na-agwa gị sị gị that na ga-afụ that have been vindicated. Ndị na-eme vindication kịta dị too much. But you see his voice now very calm. Na susupaz ka awọ mmiri gụrụ n'ebe ọ nọ. Can you hear me? I'm gonna take it back. Hear how he started. Because na nke a dị difficult to ọ bụ na nke ọzọ maka Chukwu na ya ga-agba gị ọtọ maka Chukwu na mma efe gị isi maka Chukwu na mma Chukwu ọsọ na mma efe ọbara gị ụmụ tobo you don't hear ụmụ tobo here. Hear his voice because na nke a kwajo preamble. This is just first assignment for Fulani. And what I like about Fulani is that they don't care. No matter how you serve them, if they want to leave, they don't forgive you. They know who you are because they believe they paid you for what your services. If they want to behead, they will behead you. This video is not promoting violence. I'm just trying to say this for education purposes. For you to know. Some women turn around and say, where's your madam? Where's Ngozi? They forgot all these recruited mushrooms. Listen.
Yeah, we're back. Hopefully, there wouldn't be any hitch right now. Can you people hear me? If you can hear me, thumbs it up. Give me a thumbs up. And let me know in the comment section. If they no agree, we'll go on TikTok and do our thing there. After all, TikTok self, my dear money there. Nobody they pay me for this Facebook self. Why go they waste my time? I just to make sure say the video save afterwards. Unlike TikTok where live video don't even this one self now 30 days. So creators shouldn't be wasting their time for nothing. And not more. So many people have the data for YouTube. If not, I would have been doing it on YouTube. I just go on my computer now. If you can hear me, give me a thumbs up. Thumbs it up. Let's roll.
I wish you can be as vocal as you normally be.
Let's roll. Let's roll. Yes. You know the latest propaganda is that Fulani herdsmen. Actually, I greet you, my brother. Welcome. That Fulani herdsmen attacked. What do you call it? Owerri. Eziobodo village after Agwa side at the back of Futo. Now, you know, Ndi Igbo will never learn until it involves blood, until it involves bloodshed. And over time, due to the administration of President Muhammadu Buhari being a Fulani man, so many people and many Fulani people kept quiet because they did not want to disrupt the administration of their brother, and they realized the game the Merimana and the Kano and the politicians that are using him were playing. But you see right now that the president is from the southwest. There will not be any reason for them not to attack back. Go ask people from Plateau State now. Are you the reason the reprisal is not even this much is because of the military. If not for the Nigerian army, by now they would have wiped all those Baron people for the nonsense they are doing. So you see on our own, it go too easy to clear on her. How many Fulani people there on a place? How many of on they not? If the problem you actually create, you see this problem you people are about to create. The day where you go up, me, I go there here, they do video, they clap for them. You see those of you that are keeping quiet, maybe that your own relatives where they not go collect them. Keep clapping for them as they are accusing people for what they did not do. Watch that guy they shot. Listen to what he said. He said people said Fulani men block you. Nobody caught one person. No. But anything on the road now, they say, oh, it's Fulani. If on the Fulani. If you not sense you na koheri, issue ka issue ka gata. Problem a say no na go lose pass. So se bene be kunu gebe. Unu zuzu gidi here. Chikwenu ndi bunu warning man na koheri here na koheri. What is the evidence that is Fulani people? Oh, they are putting on black. These ESN criminals they are buying, what color of clothes are they putting on? Kebendi Fulani gesi batowe. Remember the one that happened in Agwa that time, where they arrested 5 people from Jigawa State. These are people that the assistant PG of the community and one other person from executive of the community pack them, put them in the bush, and they were kidnapping their own people. They were the ones kidnapping their own people. Like, show me that village in the southeast, a stranger will come in and people will not know. Mention one. See, if the people doing those things were actually outsiders, if I don't see cameras everywhere for that community, I need to tell you. I went to Osu. There are cameras everywhere, and now this type of BSN set them to the watch when security they come. Now, all the buying where they happen inside that bush where they say that Fulani men, you mean not once did any of those cameras capture those Fulanis moving? Okay, tell them to give you the recording of everything that camera covered from the day they put it. You will not see it. Because nothing like that exists. If for nonsense okwu unu na John Boso dey say it. Make I tell you, you no go touch me. Laye, na me dey tell you. Okwu unu a ka a ga-egbu. Shop unu ka a ga-agba ọkụ. Shop unu ka a ga-agba ọkụ. Ụmụ unu ga-anwụ. Ụmụnne unu ga-anwụ. Sọsọ unu ga-ebe bụ akwa. What do you get by accusing people of what they didn't do?
All right, so he said here that they did not capture anybody. He won't prove. He wants evidence. He said that normally it's ESN, Libun, not ESN. Did he capture ESN? No, but on this ESN. And the same person questioning you about asking you for evidence is not telling you the person that he knows that has committed a crime. He's in Abuja. Then he knows what happened in Imo State more than people that are more than the victim themselves. Now, the one they captured, did he react on it? No, never, not at all. Now, let's just pay attention.
Belt ndị Fulani nke a belt ndị Fulani nke a bụ nke ekechaghị ya n'ọka etakwazie ya n'ebe na wote onye touch wete touch ka na necha nyefe ebe ya picture nwetasịrị n'aka fa picture of ebe a yicha akwa ndị ahụ ha yicha akwa ndị na
ụmụnne m ndị Igbo ndị ọma njem ọnụ ekelekwa m unu aka m bụ nwanne gị nwoke 042 Solex onye akụkọ ụwa. Ihe onyonyo a ị na-ahụ n'iru ebe a bụ ozi nke anyị si na steeti Anambra wee nweta ebe ụfọdụ ụmụnne anyị bụ ndị dị m ka ọ bụ ndị ọrụ nchekwa obodo nwudere ọtụtụ ndị ugwu bụ ndị Fulani ndị ha na-enyo enyo dịka ndị ga-abụ ndị na-eyi ndụ ụjọ na ndị omekome ndị ogbu mmadụ ebe ha so n'igwe wee buru ọtụtụ ngwongwo. Ha jụọ ha kedu ebe unu si kedụkwanụ ebe unu na-aga ebe na-akọwa na n'ime ndị ahụ niile bụ ndị ugwu ahụ na naanị otu onye bụ onye na-aghọta ajụjụ a na-ajụgodi ya ma ihe ha zanwuru bụ na ha na-aga ọsamala wee lelewenu ụfọdụ ihe ha bụ ndị ugwu bụ o wee bụrụ na ọtụtụ ọtụmọkpọ ekere eke ma nke aka ga-eke eke na ihe ndị ọzọ dị iche iche nke na-egosi na o nwere ka ije ha si wee dị ka a hụrụ n'aka ha ma ụfọdụ foto ebe ha yicha akwa ndị ọrụ agha ma ebe ha bụcha egbe ma na-emecha ụfọdụ ihe dị iche iche. Ogologo kwa dị mmanụ ka mgbede ya mere bụrụ oche kpụdobe nso ma nọrọ ala ka anyị anya na ya bụ ihe onyonyo ma hụrụ ka o si wee gaa dịka ha bụ ụmụnne anyị na-egosi ihe ha hụrụ n'aka ndị ugwu ahụ. Ya mere a sịla na Solex sịrị kama lere onyonyo ya ma tupu anyị anya na ya bụ ihe onyonyo ụmụnne m emerela na ọ dị n'ọfọ na ka ga na-ekwu okwu akwụkwọ a dịka m gwara gị sị na agaghị m akwụsị ikwu okwu akwụkwọ a wee ruo mgbe e zuru nke gị bụ ọmarịcha akwụkwọ m depụtara iji wee nye aka n'ịkụziri ụmụaka anyị otu esi agụ asụsụ Igbo. Ya bụ akwụkwọ mkpọrọ Uchenna bụ akwụkwọ na-akọ akụkọ gbasara nwata nwa mgbe ya onye na-enweghị nne ma onweghị nna mana o siri n'ụkọ bilie ebe ọgaranya site n'ige ntị ndụmọdụ ndị okenye ya na site n'ịgbasi mbọ ike dịka nwata. Otu ihe kacha atọ ụtọ n'akwụkwọ a bụ na edere m ya n'asụsụ abụọ nke bụ na iru ya ọbụla ị satara ị ga-ahụ ebe ndere ya n'asụsụ Igbo ma hụkwa ebe ndere ya n'asụsụ Bekee. Ihu ebe ndere ya n'asụsụ Igbo ihu ebe ndere ya n'asụsụ Bekee nke bụ na nwa gị gụwa asụsụ Igbo ya ọnwụ ihe ọ na-aghọtaghị ole anya n'ala ya ebe ndere ya n'asụsụ achie ya ka m pụtakwanụ.
ife a bụ ọgwụ ndị Hausa ejidere.
Now, this is just one out of many videos of people they have captured in Eastern part, right? Then you will not see this guy mention anything like that. This attack in Imo State, that the victims themselves are confirming to you what happened to them. You are here defending them and threatening the Igbo. No, you are fault. If you are good, natural. If this is a problem now, the question is, why is it that this guy can work with Fulani easily? And he always blames Igbo people. Now, the problem that Igbo people are looking for now is that our people are being attacked, injured, and fired from hand of Fulani. invaders. This guy is telling you, no, it's not Fulani. That is not. Now, it is very clear. Anybody, after those of them that follow him, after everything you are watching, you used to clap for him. You used to celebrate it because, believe you me, many people that are victim of that thing, of that attack, many of them don't believe in Biafra. Many of them are happy with this guy. God works in a mysterious way. I'm just saying. IJ, I see you. USB, my nation. There, I can see your present. You're welcome. Thank you for joining us. Obonna Samuel, I see you as well. Obonna Samuel, I see you. Udele, from which part of Abuja did you pick this your Okwaya? He said you would have at least watched yourself in the mirror before showing up with it. It makes you truly be the Udele that you are. Amos. Oh my goodness. Now, let's go back to the video of Udele. Esteban, I see you. I greet you. Let's go back to Udele. Why I played this video for you to know. Now, I'm not going to just go now. And if I'm not going to buy a series of evidence. Man, ebe with the file, ebe fe na eme attack aka na mwo fofo aka. Obo kwa na maka Niger army. Nke akwa local people like indigenous people single-handedly decide to do something like DPM have always encouraged people to do. Mobilize yourself and defend your land. Do not wait for police to do this and do that. Like I said, most of these teachings and advices from Masamado Kano, PM Samunekba, DPM, and Biafrans that understand the template of Fulani, you cannot give advice, but you can't force people to do that. You'll be forced to implement that advice by fire, by force. It's a matter of time. Like Tribem said earlier, that our people are going to learn in a hard way. Then I said, not only learning in a hard way, they will end up learning new things. Because by the time you learn that hard way, of course, you adjust your attitude to practice new things, whether you like it or not, because that may be the only survivor that you have. If you know, you know. Hear this with the leg again.
Ndị be ha dị one na bunu, ndị bunu dị one na north. And me, I no go let una put my life in danger. It no go happen. All the places you people started shouting Fulani herdsmen from 2017. And
he will not let you put his life in danger, but his assignment is to put your own life in danger for him to be secured wherever he is. I don't want you to put my life in danger, but you are constantly endangering other people's life because you want to be seen as a good man where you are. Go and read the story of King Salowa. If you can't read it, go and watch the story. Watch it on YouTube. How the whole thing started. If you may have the people because there's fake story about him. King Salowa. Salowa is from all the Niger Delta people, right? King Salowa. Go and check what happened. Oh, I don't want to be with you. I can maintain myself. I can do it alone from Ogoniland. Go and check it. That may also help you to understand. Now, you don't control Fulani like that. And this idea of how many of you are there? How many of you are here? Mazamukano said in the past, when he was asked Don't you think that the Biafran that you are seeking for, you are actually endangering the lives of Biafrans of Ndi Igbo or not? He gave the best answer ever. That it is not true that you in the north are the one endangering our life. Because when you do the mathematics, how many of our people in the north and how many of our people in the east? Since it's about the number. How many of our people are in the north? How many of our people in the east? If they ask to choose, which one will you choose? Are you going to choose Igbos in the north or Igbos in the east? That will answer you. Makani for just day by you choose not to. You know that our land is at stake. You also know that our people doing business elsewhere are very, very, not stubborn but stupid. I used to think that they are just stubborn, but the stubbornness with touch of stupidity is you can't solve it. It's one of the most dangerous things to manage. You want to rent shop or build shop and build mansion in the north. Okay, maybe it's not your fault. You don't know the story of what happened to your brothers and your sisters in the past in the north. Now, somebody volunteered himself by lecturing you on all those things. Yet you decide to cover your ear because you don't want to hear. You don't want to hear the truth. But you are going outside to risk your life. How many broadcasts the Nigerian government did for you to know that when a C7 or is it 7 or C19, when C19, you know what I mean by C19? When C19, when that outbreak, all over the world, lockdown here and there, how many people teach you or beg you to learn how to quarantine yourself or to use face mask and sanitizer? Because you have seen that this is endangering your life. You have to do something. That is why some of you will never ever listen to any broadcast, any advice until the whole thing will be knocking at your door. Then your sense will now start. Then you now start putting your sense at work. Like you now start regaining your sense of reason. But some of you are very, very adamant. You don't want to talk about it. You don't want to do something. You can't even save yourself. All you are doing now is go and check on your quiet time. Try to know what is pogrom. What Igbo people went through before the war. After Q, what happened? I'm not saying you should just go out and begin to read the history book. But at least basic things, those things that concerns you. First thing first, why is it that Igbo people were able to unite with Ojukwu? In fact, they begged Ojukwu to start to separate us from these people. Because they buy Igbo people in quantum in the north. And they use trailer. Or some people even say train. Okay? Loading people and offloading them in Enugu. 90 miles. You can check the history now. Loading them and offloading them there. Then not one truck. Serious. And the Bible, the way the Bible, to this extent that some Yorubas started sympathizing with Igbos. Not for verbal, not openly. But they were like, if you ask some Yorubas that their parents witnessed that incident, they will tell you, the blood is too much. They don't touch Yorubas, but you see Igbo people and the Kore people, and all people from that region, they buy everybody. Or if I and Simon for example, also they cannot, they will not be free because Fulani they see you as Igbo. Or every other thing you are doing, they don't trust you, which is normal. Who will trust you after seeing what you did to your own people, your own blood? Who will buy you? They will use you for what you are just doing. When the time comes, you are nobody. They will cut you and slice you like a vegetable. Is expected. Like I told you, some of them said that the people that is it Nekachime say, you think she cares about you? Is that what you actually think that she cares about you? They don't care about you because they don't know the history of what happened in the past. Some want to know, but unfortunately, the history they have is the fake one, concocted these stories that they fed the brain and mind with those things. It's not going to help you. Ask questions. Igbo people don't, and people of that time, they don't act because they want to act. They don't do because they're hungry of shedding Obara mad. No. If you cannot just wake up and say, okay, I know it all. Some people use are learning history from the platform. Can you imagine that? He'll be telling you stories of how the coup, what happened. Some actually spending their data upon every other person you can see in this planet Earth. You want to learn your history from Udele, a man that don't even know his own biological father. Is there any, no matter how grieved you think you are about Igbo people, about your people, if people now, no, I can't do this now. I cannot get to this extent. I am angry, but my anger cannot take me to this point and cannot lead me to this kind of thing. But when you see an Igbo man acting without thinking, without reason, then know that person is not from Igbo land. Igbo people, yes, they will be angry, but not when it concerns other people. So they will not do something that will bring other people to their nail, like start begging Babi Allah. People like this guy will do it to you and will be very proud of it. He said that you'll be clapping while you are being attacked. And you're not going to endanger his life for knowing fully well that. So he actually knows that people can endanger other people's life. He's actually calling you, I am the only one that have the monopoly of endangering your life. You do understand? But you cannot endanger my life, he said. So will you also allow him to endanger your life then? Since he cannot allow you to endanger his life. Hear him. Kevin, I see you. I'll great job for all of you in the comment section. We have Finest. I see you. There we go. Is there another person? No, I don't think. Okay, let's continue.
God is a lie. Njaba, Osun, Olu, Okigwe. Show me one place where ESN camp no dey for those places. And don't I see they repeat this nonsense. Did they capture a single person and say, oh, this one na Fulani? So even you where they repeat that nonsense, why don't you wait until they arrest those responsible? Oh, only 2 Fulani people will carry gun, come and block road in Igbo.
Now, you see the thing that what will be for you. Those of you clapping. Oh, the king of the game. Oh, the king of the game. Oh, you are working. You know, I know you are no. By the time because maybe you are somewhere in Europe and yapping that nonsense. Maybe one day this video will surface. ABC, oh yes, you're not gonna buy it. Yeah. If you are, you can let no Fulani or no. If you go to Fulani or not, so for now, so the person can ask for food. I say no, not AI. Get you buy the thing. I'm going to say that now. Una go learn. You see what happened in Imo State? To be honest with you, I am not angry. I'm just being real. You see what happened in Imo State? I am not angry at all. At all. Because I'm now. Without this thing, una no go think. Una no go reason. If you leave some of our people, if you give them, okay, this pen and paper, write down what you actually want. What do you think that you should do now for you to have that kind of peace that you desire? Okay. Number 1, bury the kind of life. You see PMs bring what I see and if Tia no na mafuru again. Is anybody of na like and then was a laugh of an maybe they don't have a list signal how but this is where to go now. For them to change this kind of mindset, do you have many most of the game in many places? Are you following? It will happen if you can maybe now because you are living in midst of serpents and you have to tread with caution. Some of us are very, very kind. You understand the problem, but it's unfortunate that you're living in the midst of wolves, and you cannot. Meaning that what you wish may not be happening. It has to be what because they have started. They're already around you. Why are there so much, so much around you now? Because you refuse to do what you're supposed to do on time. When they are calling for the head of someone, but you folded your hand, you did not even criticize, did not do anything to add your own voice. So they have overwhelmed you with their own ideology. And unfortunately to you, the ideology is different from your own. That's when we talk. Don't see that, oh, you guys have time to talk. You also need to talk as well. That's not the fact. Because Igbo does not belong to one person. But you cannot deny the fact. When this Mazamakan today is one. As long as you actually want to live peacefully, you may have different leaders based on what you want. If you want chaos, there are people leading you to chaos, that chaotic environment. People that are going to lead to that chaotic environment are there. If you make your choice, you have to make them your leader. But if you want to live peacefully, there are people that are going to lead you towards that. They are the ones that they are calling for you. They are pushing you now to support and begin to see them as your enemy while they will invade your land. Few weeks ago, I started giving some of my videos jihadist enablers. I know why I did that. Do you understand what it means now? The people that attack in Imo State are jihadists themselves. They are the one. People telling you they are not jihadists, these are your brothers. They are called jihadist enablers. Jihadist enablers are those that will tell you that your problem is far away from you. This thing that you are saying that is not here. That is actually your children. Your young boys are the one buying you. What they want to do is for you to have problem with your young boys. Then people that need your young boys to engage them will now come and start knocking at your door. You as an elderly person, they have no strength to overpower them. They will run you over easily. This guy is now bragging to you that Fulani will do this and do that to you. He can never. Do you know? You see the love this guy has for Fulani. He even attacking billion people. That's Plateau people. What did he say? He's telling you that you see the nonsense they are doing there. That if not because of Nigerian army, that they would have teach them a lesson before for the nonsense they are doing. He said it here. If you have paid attention, I bet if you must have picked that part where he said it. Let's continue.
Just because they have filled your heart with hate, brain
and the voice start and the ESN. Or what I go on now. We all know one corner now wagging now. Now the lecture they we have block question before. Because someone asked on that. Do you understand?
Because your heart is filled with hate. And those people doing this thing, they know. Go to Enugu State. Go to Enugu State. Ever since they mounted all those roadblocks along that Kogi Nsukka road. Why
now watch lips? Now watch on okay, now watch on one corner. I struggle with stroke. Look at
it's Boko Haram. Which nonsense Boko Haram?
The same listen. The same Enugu State on wagon, and I told you that my own cousin, Reverend Father, get kidnapped. Maybe 2 months. No Zafona Wagena from Anambra to that Tonsuka was actually captured there. He managed to escape. A reverend father, man, Wagena said, somebody, mama, you know what are the point now? Go never now Wagena know the only thing is there. Now I'm out to your block. And I'm out to your block. Anambra, I don't blame him. He's not alone, but his own is too obvious. Governor of Anambra State, but I think now on the only form of the Fulani. Because you're naturally with an favor from Fulani, you have to condemn your people. That is how low they are dragging Madito. How low. Now, in Anambra State, I have shown you videos of one guy that died, also the sister of the guy that died, she's the victim. She survived. Then she was narrating the story. You can never see that video in these people's platform. Never. Why? Because that one is haram. You can't. They don't talk about it. You go ask neighbor here. You go get so. You can go. They go to you.
Which nonsense Boko Haram? Fucking bastards. Because you people can't think, and many of you are too moronic. Your parents are stupid. They didn't train you well. Your useless parents transferred their stupidity into you. And these people.
Okay, my your useless parent. Should I go on about it? Let me not go there because I can't descend that level. But you know. This insult. You see how grieved, how bitter, or how dare you to mention my tribe, How dare you to drag my beautiful brothers and sisters that never do you anything to this your nonsense.
No, that's why they are using hate to sell you rubbish. Two Fulani people go carry gun, block out. Are you okay? Election don't they reach? And say they know if you operate inside the Owerri now. So they need all this nonsense. They need all this rubbish again. Very useless set of people, bastards. Ndiara. Have you forgotten how Gentle was caught staging Fulani attack? Have you forgotten it? You don't ask yourself, from 2017, in Uli, in Asia, Ihiala, all these places, they've been telling you Fulani men.
So Gentle is the one that staged Fulani attack in Kwara State, in Owo. He stages Fulani attack in Benue, in Yerewata. He staged Fulani attack in Meduguri. He staged Fulani attack in what is the name of this place in Kogi State. He staged Fulani attack in Benin. Gentle, equal also mini present on a steady Fulani attack. Anyway, negent. I don't blame you. Because anyway, listen.
They've been telling you, and not one happened to be true. Let me even play this thing from that guy. Just let me show me from this statement where, like, show me a single thing, a single evidence. A single evidence. Let's hear from the guy.
Mostly to the first station called Peculiar First Station at Mboku Junction. So I saw many bikes parking along the road. So I told my passenger that he should wait. Let's confirm what is happening. They said Fulani men are blocking the road. So my bike man said no, that we don't think that Fulani men are along that road, that we should go.
You hear what he said? The bike man said no, he doesn't think that Fulani men are on that road. Don't be listening.
He said that I'm not going. So he forced me that we should go. So I moved the bike. Along the road, as I was going, there is a place at Iyaba, Ezobudu Express Road there. So when I get to that little bush at the bending corner over that road, I crossed the place. I saw a bike lying on the road. So I asked my passenger that, let's stop and turn back. Now this bike might be someone that has been attacked along the road. He said no, that we should be going, that already we are close to Izobudu. I said okay. So when we moved from that place, we now get to the point where they stopped solar lights. There is a place that they mounted solar light and they stopped over. NDDC solar light at their stopover where they stopped it. So along no, this is not in Ezobudu. So not in Ihaba bush again. This is not in Ezobudu facility. So two boys ran out from the bush wearing black and wear arms. What they wanted to block, due to their speed, I have to chase them with my bike. So both of them jumped inside the bush. The one outside the bush now shot me with gun.
So now be saying a Fulani people. Now be the Fulani. You dey hear them? Even Okada people confirm to see which kind of nonsense Fulani. Ndị Igbo dọrọ n'aka na ntị. Ifre bubu unu na-ebo ndị a, they will not send Ashwaju. Ashwaju na from Yoruba man land. The day the reprise una go collect. More na try that nonsense wey una do before. Ka egbu bi na-atụ unu. Ebe isi na-emebi unu. Ka ụkpanara na-efuzu ọkụkọ ṅụrụ mmanya. Ka ụkpanara na-ayị. Jenu jee ma ebe ndị be ha taa ka unu ma mma ịkwasabụ ngiri ọkụ. Try ya na ya. Unu zuzuchi ihe unu na-ezu. Fulani people, no na we keep quiet o. No na we unu che no so unu na-ebe ebubo. Unu che no so unu ma ebe ebubo. Ịmazi na ha ga-eje chọọ ama jiri na abụ na agbuo osu na ọnụ gburu ha. Iche no so unu ma eme ihe ọjọọ. Jee chọọ ama jiri na abụ nọ na street na bere ya isi si na ndị Igbo na-ebe a ji isi ụmụ ha agwọ ọgwụ ego wee zọọ unu pịatapịata ka unu fụ ka ihe ọjọọ na-adị. Ka unu fụ ka ihe ọjọọ na-adị. Unu eche na ọsọsọ unu ma eme ihe ọjọọ. Ndị iberibe agbachiri nkịtụ na-ezuzugharị because na ha na-ekwu okwu. Because na ha na-ekwu okwu. Useless set of people. Maka agbado unu nkịtị. Unu che na ọsọsọ unu ma ebo mmadụ allegation. Unu eche na ọsọsọ unu ma ebo allegation. Ke ndị na-eyi black. No investigation. Nothing. Enwebe onye ejide. We are already shouting Fulani. So 2 people from outside will come out and take over a road in a community. Ishodukwu mma. No sense and according unu nege. Because your heart has been filled with hate. and that one nkịta unu na-ezuzugharị na-akọ eri kebe shi nweta these cost people ndị na-enweghị ha mere gị no they are president onye jiri aka your president ọkwa n'ihu unu ka ndị Ijaw ghọrọ president na Nigeria ọkwa n'ihu unu ka Jonathan ghọrọ president na Nigeria no introspection no sense of introspection onwe onye na-anọgide jụọ onwe ya ese ka ihe mere ka ihe anyị na-eme anyị na-adị emete very foolish.
All right, I want you to listen to this, okay? Because I cannot upload the video because there's some blood and all that here. You know, he said there's only 2 Fulani block road. There are so many videos that is more than 15 or even 20 on social media. He managed to pick one to analyze the whole thing. Now, listen to this.
Small boy now. Just that now the Fulani has for the 50. So just imagine all the security, what are they doing now? Because just imagine that in the Fulani just imagine. Now, right? As I'm talking, I said everybody there for that road.
This is just one out of many, and he's looking for evidence. It's not as if the evidence is hidden. This man with his baby, a child of maybe 2 years, 3 years thereabout, okay? They use cutlass and butcher the guy somehow. You're going to again.
Small boy now. Just that now the Fulani has for the 50.
And the Fulani had for the 50. 50. One person now was thinking third hand class, not first hand class. This is third hand class information. Somebody told me what somebody said. Yakona Wali, man, the rape victims are telling you the encounter, what they witnessed. If you get now, only you can see the bitterness in him. Last year, 2-3 months, if I'm not mistaken, he made a video where he was bragging. Nagi Buchu Momaka Balejuna and Igbo. So you cannot see the mindset. Now Fulani just about to get it. As if now Lapundi but Fulani no. The Fulani I don't understand this guy. But they get there's even between fighting war and terrorism. They are not the same thing. They are not the same. Terrorism is different from war.
Set of people. Fulani. Where is the evidence? Where is the fucking evidence? Did you catch anybody? No. Did they arrest anybody? No. This place, do they have a settlement there? No. You are telling me that the entire Eziobodo, 2 people from outside came and are committing crime issue on maybe doing like getting a moon issue brain on a yopo. This is the same nonsense they are doing in Plateau State. Nakoyedi, very useless set of people. Oh, he's Fulani. Get the evidence. Say the victim himself. You hear from the victim himself.
Oh, sorry about that. I was saying something without knowing that I moved my mind. Thank you so much, Ben. You, I really appreciate it. I was saying that those of you that watch the video, how many videos have you watched about it? How many videos have you watched about it? Is it one? Is it two? Is it three or more? Like me, I have no less than 10. This guy is just talking about one. He's talking about one. So somebody say volume. Is it my own volume or his own volume? Please let me know. That is a Divine Precious. Okay, you are talking. I muted my mic then, so I think my volume, my voice is coming out now. But no, me, I say you.
When even Okada people, they tell I'm say nothing like Fulani for that road.
Yeah. Ndewo.
Onye panti ya furu Fulani. Onye guru ji ya Fulani. Onye kamere Fulani. Just to justify the presence of evil in our land.
Can you imagine?
And many of you people are among the people that ruined the Igbo because you chose hate.
Everyone.
Hate blinded your mind, blinded your thinking faculty. You people couldn't reason anymore. Let me replay it again from the victim so you hear it.
Thank you so much, Amy Sammy.
I'll go command this screen guard for this phone. You don't over scratch. If not, I for wait, you make I open up. Hear from the person. When I get to the office, I will make a short video on it.
Office, okay, you go to office. You went to his office.
To the station called the station. So I saw many bikes parking along the road. So I told my passenger that he should wait. Let's confirm what is happening. They said Fulani men are blocking the road. So my bike man said no, that he don't think that Fulani men are along that road, that we should go. I insisted that I'm not going. So he forced me that we should go. So I moved the bike. Along the road, as I was going, there is a place at Iyawa, Express Road there. So when I get to that little bush at the bending corner over that road, I crossed the place. I saw a bike lying on the road. So I asked my passenger that, let's stop.
With that cow.
Might be someone that has been attacked along the road. He said no, that we should be going, that already we are close to Izobo. I said okay. So when we moved from that place, we now get to the point where they stopped solar light. There is a place that they mounted solar light and they stopped over. NDDC solar light at their stopover where they stopped it. So I don't no, this is not in Ezobodo. So not in Iyawa bush again. This is not in Ezobodo vicinity. So two boys ran out from the bush wearing black and were armed. What they wanted to block, due to my speed, I have to chase them with my bike. So both of them jumped inside the bush. The one outside the bush now shot me with gun.
Which people they collect bike?
He's struggling to twist this story. Now I even understand what the guy was saying. That his bike man told him that Fulani is not there. Just like the person just tries to gaze that they don't normally stay there. But the attack was on. And the guy insisted they keep on going and he got shot. Now, hear this side of the story. Here they are trying to identify someone that by this one they cut off his manhood, something like that, and they are trying to look for anybody that know the person. He can't defend himself. He's gone.
Small boy now. Just that now the Fulani just imagine all the security. What are they doing now? Because when you're like now, just imagine that in the Fulani just imagine. Now, right? As I'm talking, I said they're not there for that road.
There's another one. I'm trying to select the one that you can hear the voice very, very well. And this one, let me hear what they said here. This here is where people are running helter-skelter. Okay, people are running for their life. So let me look for another one. Here also, so here also you can hear the sound, right? People are running also for their life here. The guy that he played his own is this one.
I told my passengers, wait, let's confirm what is happening. They said Fulani guys are blocking the road. So my bike man said no, that you don't think that Fulani guys are along that road, that we should go. I insisted that I'm not going. So he forced me that we should go. So I moved the bike. Along the road, as I was going, there is a place at Iyaba, Ezogu Express Road. So when I get to that little bush at the bending corner over that road, I crossed the place. I saw a bike lying on the road. So I asked my passenger that let's stop and turn back. That this bike might be someone that has been attacked along the road. He said no, that we should be going, that already we are close to Ezogu. I said okay. So when we moved from that place, we now get to the point where they stopped solar light. There is a place that they mounted solar light and they stopped it over. NDDC solar light and they are stopped over where they stopped it. So I don't no, this is not in Ezogu. So not in the Yaba bush again. This is not in Ezogu facility. So two boys ran out from the bush wearing black and wear arms. But they wanted to block. Due to their speed, I have to chase them with my bike. So both of them jumped inside the bush. The one outside the bush now shot me with gun.
So he chased them after doubting that they are not there. And this guy is here telling you different stories.
Jesus. I go to my house. I beg, go to the first. Wait, you be eating? You mean the one-on-one? One-on-one, there's block. They pop me with the gun there. Because the other way carry me. As I jump down, I said, what can me now? My phone, everything now. They want to now.
Okay, now, hold on. This is not an Igbo person that made them one-on-one. He's from Bayelsa. So listen again.
Jesus.
Obala ni ana rebo on me video anwa obala juri aro.
You mean eating? You mean the one-on-one? One-on-one, they pop me with the gun there. Because the other way carry me. As I jump down, I said, what can me now? My phone, everything now. They want to take a test now. Yeah. Jesus. I left it alone. And then they fire.
This one is not from Imo State, you. Bayelsa person in Imo State who happened to be one of the victims.
I don't know. I'm worried about. Lord, thank you for this information.
Ya ka onye nke a na ebe a na-agwa gị that no what if any millionaires. Frank Okoye, I greet you. You are welcome.
Imo State Police Command displayed over 450 bikes the other day. Where should the finger pointing be going? The same Imo Command, in the same senatorial zone, they arrested someone that took them to a place where they went and got 450 bikes.
And the
same thing is happening. Hope ụzọdị mmadụ ebe ahụ anụsowu ike ọgụ akwagogo ya mekwuonu n'ọbịa paaki kwuo bịa soro anyị nọrọ Abuja anọ. And Nosonkwa will be there doing nonsense in Imo State. Bastard that they would have arrested, even spreading of fake news is 7 years imprisonment. Someone say we the Igbos are just deceiving ourselves. It is hard to wake up a person who pretends. No, let them be deceiving themselves. I am telling them until the Fulani started pinning their own allegation on them. Then I know what for who to. Kamara no your joke, Jacob your job. Mona Koheri, useless set of people. Useless set of people. Oh yeah, kako erigide. Ewere kampuru chiche everywhere. Ana ebu mmadu na eti Fulani. Some of them, obu no ha gbara ọkụ no na abia gbu eze ndị be ha. They were in support of this nonsense. Anọrọ na-ekwu ihe ọjọọ jiji na-adị iwe keke ihe ọjọọ jiji ebe niile nwara chi imebi na-ere mmebi ebe niile. Shut up, ịda afụ ka Lagos dị. Akwa ofu Nigeria nọ n'ime ka Lagos nọ. Iche na ị ga-akọcha ihe ọjọọ na bịa harvest na wine n'onwe unu. Unu abụgo onwe unu ọnụ.
Onye bụla onwe ya na-asị gị na ịbụ ọnụ onwe gị ọnụ.
Unu abụgo
Somebody ji aka abụọ onwe ya ọnụ bụ abụ gbasa onwe ya.
Abụmọnụ ka unu bụ akpagharị ihe a. Ọ bụrụ na unu abụghị onwe unu ọnụ, why would you be defending evil?
Can you imagine?
Useless people.
Can you imagine?
Keep bringing curse upon yourself.
I'm again, I'm on one.
This one say go to outsiders came to the village, outsiders came from outside and they are operating in the village. In come do nonsense as she poison. Color do not be sharp weba.
Against IQB, against Igbo. You are a saboteur. How can I sabotage my own people? And Igbo, Bokamonya Kebe, Mbosobuna no, Nature Mbosobuna, Yobuna, John Igbo, or any black race. I recognize Paramount, their father.
He say,
they are the highest money that will over. You want to go? You have highest money that will over. All you need to mount. I don't ask no one walk out. You know, and the worst thing that could happen to a father no one, you know, the church that's their father. But so when I make it, you will anything against me. That's one man.
he say,
So, natural, it are the misconception. People know. I want to criticize the policy. And they criticize this and this tactic. Attention on their work. Not generally, then they criticize the actualization of Biafra. Nigeria go on the moment. I wouldn't be here. Na Nigeria, but since 19 now that work. But I have to say it, man. I don't criticize that some things. No, that's not me.
not every dog that is hungry actually need food to survive.
That video in village, see if they will not remove it in the next 2 minutes. Go mount camera.
This is just for you to know the person that is asking you. Not Nigerian on there, Lagos on there. Lagos was once a Nigerian capital. That's why when each time people do this comparison, it makes me sick. Lagos has served as Nigerian capital. Can you compare Abuja with the Nasarawa state? Is it not the same Nigeria? If we go there,
Again, now see if they will not remove it in the next 2 minutes. The believe. The brain, that walk. You think it's foreigners and they've not mounted cameras there? Why are they threatening people that are suggesting putting cameras in those communities? Yeah? What sort of innocent person threaten those that want to put cameras in the villages? Very useless set of people. They not
Israel, and I mean,
say the Fulani. Which Fulani will remove the camera? Which camera you put and Fulani go remove her where you don't see who they remove them? Eh? Okay, you then remove the VCR too. Eh? The useless people here na going. Oh yeah, reverse waiting the thing see now before they come out and make we know who come out.
How many cameras did you put in very Western?
This one side will follow. Let me block you. She said, no, comment again. Let me see. How you like you? It who invited you here in the first place? Bastard. Who invited you here?
Without dealing
Useless
with
setup.
it, without focusing and seeing how to navigate your way out from this. Sometimes it will be difficult for you to say, but me and you know that without tackling this thing, and there's no way we are going nowhere, because they will keep on sounding this way. Do you know some people, some of them that are clapping for him? I saw another of his video where he was insulting P2B. The same people say, king of the game. They were there telling him, no, brother, I used to like what you are saying, but you see this one, I will unfollow you. Just like what this one said now. But you are happy when he was attacking Masnamanakan, attacking Biafrans, attacking laying allegation of people. It will get to your own people, then he's going to do the same thing on you. Then I foresee matter that now. No, oya worry kaba. Because none of the reason at all.
They will remove what? Don't mind them, Prince Armstrong. The Fulani will remove what? Then you will see who is removing it.
Look at.
Go and play the record and let us see who removed it.
This issue of camera, as if they are actually hiding it. You are in a country that Fulanis are doing even okay. The last kidnapping they did, is it the last one of the kidnapping they carried out in Kwara State? Is it Kwara? Yeah, I think it's Kwara State. School children were kidnapped. Military were guarding that environment, that road, that side. They received a call to leave. They packed their load and leave. Within 30 minutes or 45 minutes later, Fulani people invaded and kidnapped all the students. Until now, the person that made the call has not been revealed. Governments are not doing anything about it. In fact, everything is just like a mystery. Are you following? When you say put mounting camera, are you mounting camera to find out the identity of the person or the tribe where they come from? This is not Southeast alone. This is something that is happening in the entire country, entire Nigeria. But every region have their own way of navigating away from this. You know there's a problem, and this problem is something that you must face squarely to be free from that. Then you don't want to do something about it. To you mount the camera to know when they are coming. Then what? Then what? He's saying this to deceive you and people who are just managing their data to watch Facebook lit. You know, only Facebook you can watch. Your internet can only give you access to watch Facebook, to follow Facebook alone. Why these people are very deadly is this. Nigerian government have already bought Facebook. That if you bring counter opinion to their propaganda and their enablers, they will shut you down. Meaning that people that have the real information are actually not on Facebook. Then how can you convey the right message to our people for them to know the true story, the true news? You have to condescend way too low and to their condition by putting content and saying what they want you to say. They will come out openly and attack you. You cannot come out openly to respond to them on Facebook. YT, many of them are not actually paying attention on YT. Only those that can afford it, because the internet to operate YT, that's YouTube, is not as of that to you Facebook. They are on Facebook constantly. He said that he's not making money from Facebook, but why is he uploading on Facebook steady? Because that platform is where he can insult people. And do you know that if I create Facebook now and begin to talk on how I will buy somebody very easy, that account will be put down. In fact, it may not even last. But they will keep on saying they gave him medicine as long as not you are helping Nigerian government. Nigerians that are working on Facebook, because every country have Facebook, like you see Facebook, they have Facebook Nigeria, Facebook Ghana, Facebook Cameroon, Facebook South Africa, Facebook China, Facebook Japan, Facebook, you know what I mean? It is no longer as it used to be. They have privatized Facebook to different countries, meaning that Nigerians are the one working in Facebook that once you put Nigerian account, Nigerian Facebook, they will know how to promote you, how to bring you down, how to rubbish you, how to deal with you. That's why Facebook is not accessible the way it's supposed to be. They are using Facebook to brainwash our people. It is now your duty and my duty for us to know how we can talk to our people. Have you asked yourself, why are you mainly using YouTube instead of Facebook? Facebook is frustrating. Even if you say, okay, I'm not gonna monetize it, let me just create content that they will say I lost my account. In fact, that account, if you ask me to pay you money, like huge amount of money, if I have $5,000, if you ask to drop it, I will drop it for them not to close my Facebook, because they shut the page and the account that holds the page, and this account happens to be my first account on Facebook that has all my in fact, I use that account as my album, my pictures, olden days, back then, is still there, but I upload everything. They just close it down without any sign. But they are there. Look at him now. He will attack. People will come out and brag on how they're gonna buy Igbo. Facebook will even, give them more views, engagement. If you counter that problem, Asad the boy will be on his Facebook and start telling and open his mouth, begin to brag that he's a jihadist, that he will buy this and buy that. It will go viral. No problem. Can you do that to even say the truth? Ordinary truth, you are not even adding anything. Ordinary truth, they will shut you down. I'm trying to revive my TikTok. I used to have 1,000 there, 1,000 followers, because I want to start also streaming there, because I realized that some people are also there. But I'm afraid also that they're going to shut it down, because one thing about me is that if I have a platform, I will invest my time, everything on that. Putting it down is just like wasting my energy, and I hate it so much. That is why I don't upload or post anything on Facebook. One account I have now is just for me to watch what other people are doing. I cannot do anything because Facebook is really showing me shaking. I used to hear that from Master back then, but when I experience it, my brothers and sisters, it's quite frustrating. If I have my way, I may have another platform. I think another platform that is actually helpful somehow is Twitter, but you have to pay for it for you to have what you want there. They don't hide their own. You cannot say you are building organically. They don't want you all with organic. Just pay so you can post and have engagement. That is Twitter for you. We have our brother Oluchiwa. God bless you, sir. He said, "In the woman as a guy, I greet you and Biafrans. Well done. Thank you so much. I really appreciate." But let me say something here. I'm coming to our brother Armstrong. He says, "So contract this Udele. So this Udele sign. So the contract this Udele sign is to defend Fulani Caliphate, one that shall never end." Oh, if you do the like I play the game, you can see everything. That's why I felt so angry when I see people who are praising him. I don't have any problem with him because he has made his choice. But you see, people who claim they are normal human beings, like not to like Bam, this guy Chijoke. That guy, honestly, that guy really irritates me because of that. Udene, I understand. I don't think whatever Udene said now, I always laugh at it because I have made up my mind that this is who he is, and truly that's what he is. But you see somebody who claims that he's a journalist or a content creator, you are not like Udene, but you keep on putting ears to the garbage coming out from Udene. I can't handle it. I can't handle it. How can I handle that kind of thing? You see the audacity of this guy, what he will do, how he will do this. They are bragging with, with their evil. You are messing up everything, yet you are bragging.
Like, see the type of rubbish you hear from these bastards just because they want to justify evil. Just because they want to justify the lies they are supporting. Who will remove it? Which one did you put and Fulani remove it? You useless set of people. Let me be blocking no man. You talk rubbish, I block you immediately.
I'm strong. Good morning to you. Good morning, Mabel Igwe. Good morning or good afternoon your time.
You talk rubbish, I block you immediately. Motherfuckers.
Can you imagine?
Maybe you
Now, do you know the offense of Ndibo? Do you know the offense? Makani na akuri ako masam nakani king of the game, right on. The offense of Ndibo is because they didn't mention that Fulani killed them. He's not condemning the death of people. He's not condemning the attack, but he's condemning the fact that you mentioned Fulani. Just think about it. What kind of human being is this? He's angry because Fulani name is mentioned, but he's not angry that people are actually died and injured. Anibo Gademos, we must bring peace to Anibo. We must bring peace to Anibo. Ineneche agreko. Agreko na wori for never pastor. Bash. Anibo Gademos, kedo za Anibo. Jofi ka no ka nsa bara catapult. Anibo Gademos. Gademos by you shedding the blood of people innocent. In our gentle. Oh, gentle is the one. Oh, we invaded the Sumo. We pursued them. They're not everywhere is peaceful now. Now, Fulani come. Oh, they are the one. I thought you have dealt with them. Nah, you invaded them and you captured them, you destroyed them, you buried them. According to your report. Now, when an attack comes, oh, they are the one. And the other class of people that we need to also understand the activities is these US. People like Eboko and the rest of them making videos, telling people that, because one thing I noticed about our people is that we don't think. Most of us think that we are smart, that we hear that Igbo people are smart, that we have a lot of a flavor that actually, represent in a very bad way. People like Chino Achebe, Frequency, and many other people that knows what they're doing. People like Free Megwari and Bat Energy. Many people that have done something. People that have done something. Yes, this is a brain of Ndibo. This is people that have invented something. People that you are proud of them. Look at this lady called Ngozi. Not the Kojiwa. Kojiwa is also, yeah, and she's among, but the Ngozi Adechi, that writer. People with the brain, right? Now, this is because when they see this kind of people, this kind of professionals, they will say that Igbos are smart. We also, in as much as you have smart people in quantum, we also have people that are way, way, way stupid, that beyond their own stupidity, is more than normal stupid rate of other stupid people. Like if rate of stupid people is 80%, stupid people from our land clock 180, but normal rate of stupidity is like 80% by rating. I'm just saying, when you check the stupidity of an Igbo man who voluntarily want to be a stupid person, the person always rates this. If you check the stupidity level, it will be running 180, 100 extra than normal rate of 80. Why do I say so? You will see some people, you were a GS member, you have mass Monica, then you now have issue with another group called autopilot. Now, for you to, destroy that group, you forgot your own protection. You don't remember your own protection. Like you want to pour fuel on someone and light that person up. Now the fuel now pour on your own body and the body of your enemy. Will you still light up to burn that of your enemy? After knowing that your body now is also, you now have fuel on your own body, will you proceed to light up the other person? That is when the smartness comes in, because common sense should let you know that I cannot light up this person, even in as much as you are eager to burn the person. But the fact that this fuel have already touched you, you cannot light up anymore. But the level of the stupidity of these people, they will still go ahead to light up, therefore burning themselves. Then you don't see their own enemy, because they are working for their enemy. How can you say that you are Jewish, you are working for freedom, and I'm not is somewhere and all that, right? Then you now open your mouth and said that someone never be prime minister need to be set ablaze and destroyed, and you are the one working to get it done. You forgot that somebody that is pursuing Samonekpa is also pursuing you. If you catch Samonekpa and you and Samonekpa or Biafrans are actually dragging, the moment you abandon your own safety, begin to pursue another person, it will be more easier for that person that is pursuing you to catch you, because your focus is on that another person. You forgot your own safety. Why running to catch up this person? The enemy that is pursuing both of you will get more closer, meaning at the end of the day, you have walked in favor of your enemy and you will lose everything. A smart person always calculates before embarking on any fight. People that are intelligent don't fight a battle that they will lose. They will calculate it, they will know how to execute it and when to go for it. Epic Wodike said that Gento buy 3 people. You remember the one that released the video of where they shot 3 people. Personally, I don't believe that it's Gento. I don't believe, because of what AI can do. Somebody who is an insider who claimed that he's, according to Epic Wodike, that somebody recorded it and said it to him. The question you should ask yourself is that since the person is recording this video and he refused to record even Gentle, he couldn't record Gentle, he couldn't record other surroundings, he recorded the voice and people that bite. They said that therefore Gentle is one buying people and all that. Okay, he's one that buy people and all that, right? Good. Then again, a video of where they were chopping on or cutting off people's private parts, and where they slaughtered 2 soldiers, right? You remember that video? In the background, we'll be hearing Gentle voice also. No picture, no video of him, nothing. Who made it? Because AI can do and undo. Whether it's Gentle or not, I'm just telling you what I believe, because the evidence is not all that clear. That does not mean that I'm backing up anybody, killing anybody. What I'm trying to say is that we should, in as much as we hate anybody that is involved in murdering and buying people, we all hate it. But let's not forget that some people who hate me and you, we capitalize on this kind of thing to separate you, to bring enmity and separate you and plant division among you. Some DS members are now saying, how can Mazamagano, call for peace when you have people who committed crime in our land? That is, ask them what crime, they tell you that they're bad people. All right. The same people will tell you that they buy and our brothers and sisters that in the army and the police. But the police are the one that buy our youth protesting. I'm just asking. Think about it. And let your conscience judge you. Do you understand? Spying of anybody, I'm not saying you should use spite or revenge, but do not say you cannot forgive and for peace to reign, that you still want to maintain separation and division among you. Maybe you think that you are now more stronger than whoever that you will think you are fighting for, you're fighting against now. That's why you don't want the fight to end, because you are enjoying it. You are in a winning side. What if they will turn around tomorrow? Will you still be on the winning side? You don't ask that question, do you? You don't. Anyway, hear this.
Sige Fulani. What nonsense? Yeah, couldn't get me a team Igbo na problem everywhere in Nigeria. Na kohedi. From Bosobunu Noro.
Please like the video. Like the video.
And a bepuma majidisi na Kebi, Kaduna, Kano. Mara no say to go munu kage buzi on industrial scale. Useless set of people. Mana nkembo na maguna before bidime. Ana madina aguna before bidime. And don't know what you can get na benachi une nweku ihe game. Ma pụta agbaru na egwu na social media ma na ọbụghọ. Ma pụta ha na ayọ egwu ka ọ na-eme. Go market somewhere. Useless set of people. This one say what happened to Imo State yesterday. Now the same people where they kidnap people, where they thief bike. Now them go thief bike again. Now they don't shout Fulani again. No, na kohiri. Ijidebe mwado. Where is your evidence that is Fulani people? The same lies they were selling you in Njaba, in Osu, in Idato North, in Okigwe, in Mbitoli. All these places they were telling you Fulani. Go there today. People don't run, come on, finish for the community. And Ibolani, they pursue them. Yet some people still come and believe that nonsense. Kanona Korobish. Now Fulani people will keep, say they be one try and with Yoruba people not give them space now. No be on that surrender for Yoruba people hand. Which was what I told you people in 2022. I said next year that Yoruba people na go meet about now them go cure na madness. Now no be on they call for truce. Because all those Fulani people, their own Islam just pack their food for their head. They keep quiet. They do this one. But Yoruba people, if you want madness, they give you madness. And I tell them, I say their own craze graduate pass on their own craze. Anything you need, they go give you. Where is that shout that Yoruba people are planning militia in Igbo? They didn't spread it up to 1 month now. Because on for a year now. By now, all of us where they but for don't run. Lagos, on see laws now. On see laws, the ones where they bring, even the ones where they never implement. Do PEM, then go still tighten the ones where they. As soon as they claim so that they mad, on I no see madness for Yoruba people hand no.
Look at the person that people are listening to. You can see this history. So that Fulani people, they can let you go. But Yoruba people, I'm not insulting Yoruba people, but this was story now just prove that you are a novice. Anyway, as na oyena maro ya jake be naka. If oyena maro will like we will not to go the yaka. Very, very useless woman. Very, very useless. I'm a full uselessness, but in Kegebo, top notch. I swear down.
Or I no see madness for Yoruba people hand.
Can you imagine?
They no show on Ashegi.
Where? How? Apart from government demolishing house, what again?
Try them. What happened to these Yoruba people? They are planning militia. They are said that one. You don't even reach how many this thing. You don't reach two. Waiting be 2 months. They don't even shout and reach 1 month. They see craze on. Which is what these Fulanese people are supposed to do. Because you know, say if you carry cutlass, the third person say this in a cutlass and the sharp, you know the year until you come on one person head. Until you come on one person head, all that's going to learn from it. On a go to stage fake Fulani attack for that place. Make them to the stage fake Igbo attack for their own place. Then go Nukaji. Go Nukaji. You see, all these ones are useless politicians. All these ones are useless politicians.
Oh, but you know why he have the audacity to call them useless politicians? Because the people that he's working for are the boss to the politicians. Ordinarily, he don't have the nerves to do that. He's working for politician direct. This one is working for Fulani, and Fulani is the one sending him messages to go and meet my boys, the governor of social state in East. But that's why the one cannot call Igbo politicians useless politicians. He cannot do that, no matter what. Why? Because they are the one that employed him direct. But you see this one. If I'm Malahati from the north that calls someone that calls someone that knows someone that knows someone that know the governor in the east, meaning that he's not answerable to governor in the east. He's answerable to the caliphate. He can call governors names and get away with it. Governors know that no one orga, but we do everything to worship and praise governor in the east. But where this one shows his idiocy is that Nwayogiri make more money than this one. Nwayogiri make more money from sabotage than this guy. What gives this one joy is seeing you people complaining and lamenting about him. Niabos is the king of the game. Which of the game is he playing? Game of saboteur. He's the king of that. Nothing more.
Now that time they go, you need peace. We need this. But none of them go talk now. Are they going to say they don't know? Are they not the ones sponsoring those boys? Nigerians here, all these people know what thing they happen. They have called me for settlement multiple times. That me no agree. All this rubbish where they talk, say, oh, Hausa people don't pay them. Fulani people don't pay them. Yoruba people, because I rejected their money. All of them know exactly what's going on, and because it's politically expedient for them, they are keeping quiet. That's why you see a politician telling you that Nnamdi Kanu did not do anything. Because they need him to be confusing these bastards. They know that if these morons are not living under deception, they will be holding them accountable for their monies they are holding. This is just the formula and nothing more. Whatsoever you people will do to stop this nonsense against your names, do it. If they stage fake attack against you, stage against them too. Stage against them. This is the only way they will learn. They stage any fake attack against you, stage against them too. Stop keeping quiet. You see what when they do this Beron people now, when you see they don't they calm down small. I'm drop at that chomo, maybe you don't go hide. This is the way you people will, the only way you people will solve this thing. This is the only way you will solve it. Pay them evil for evil, and this nonsense will stop. Stop keeping quiet. Stop keeping quiet. Thank you, Stanley Chinonye. Eziobodo is a community surrounded by different communities. And to that effect, there is no way Fulanis will carry out an attack in Eziobodo and go free. The question is, from where would they gather? Yes! Very simple. Very simple. Just like when they were telling you that it was Fulani people in Olu. Biko, Heshi dato, Heshi umuchi mabata. Oya la kahashi bata. Ombidi kahashi bata. Heshi yo mabatolu. Heshi umaka batolu. Where? Where?
I believe that he had a part where he was begging Fulani to do something, to pay evil by evil. Do something they should do. I hope you captured that part very well. I don't know the time that this happened to. I would have said something about it more. But whichever way, Fulani people don't need to don't to tell you how and where they come from and what they're doing. They don't need that. They work with the best intelligence units powered by the government. Okay? The same country that Army General revealed his location. Fulani went there and captured the man alive. Oh, wait, how did they meet you? Wait, how? Oh, wait. Anyway, my people, I'm going to end it here. Please permit me to draw the curtain close now. I'm tired of listening to this nonsense. Thank you so much for your time, and please make sure you like the video before you go. God bless you. Remember, we said, so for him to look as if he is irrelevant is to work against the Biafran people. Yeah, he's not doing any other thing. He's a Fulani boy. A Fulani boy. But the question, will he succeed? The answer is no. Just imagine what this animal is saying, forgetting that Obi is a barrack. Okay, Obi is a barrack. Okay, Obi is a barrack is saved. Let me zoom it again. I cannot read it from here. Let me remove this one. It's better. Obi is a barrack is a safe haven for the Fulani. He's supposed to know now because they're working hand in hand. He's supposed to know our mommy is in the house. She said, Fulani and Western world have no new plan. Divide and rule, make us hate ourselves. Leaders, why they take over. Make us hate ourselves. Make us hate our useless leaders. Why they take over. They take over to do what? To grab land. The thing is about land. Land without land, nothing. Drop a link, please. Okay, that is a triple M. I wanted to just end it direct because I would like to engage other things, but let me hear from you. Okay, Triple M, I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you. The link has been shared. Ndewo, you are here. You're welcome.
Is it me?
Yes, you are. You are the one.
Oh, right. Thank you so much, Mazakai. Thank you so much. Greetings to you, my dear brother, for the work. Your program last night, I don't know what happened to me. I just slept off. And it was doing a break and quench. I don't know what your network is doing about last night. You know?
It
So,
wasn't my network. It wasn't my network. It was the owner of the platform.
okay.
Because I was sharing website, so they don't like it, and
Okay.
some people
Okay.
reported it as well.
Okay. No problem. Because you are talking about the people that wants to do ID card based on what we discussed last time, that someone volunteered to do. It's a good one anyway. It's a good one. But they will never stop us. My people at the comment section, I greet each and every one of you. Why I requested the link is, you say you don't know the location and this thing. That place is my area. I didn't come from there, but it's my area. So I want to throw more light on that particular location. You see, when you see this animal that called himself Udele talk, you see how calm he is when he was about to start the so-called program he was doing. He doesn't know how to fix it. He doesn't know how to start until I don't know, maybe he gather momentum to kickstart. He was like saying, how sure? What evidence do we have to, justify that is a Fulani, this thing, blah, blah, blah. As if he didn't see other videos which you just made mention here. The videos there, even apart from that one, there is another one that happens in Obakla, Omaya area, Odomaya, where they capture some of them. They have already collected ransom. You see, why I type on the comment section, I hope I'm coming out clearly. Mazika, hope I'm
Yes,
coming out
you
clearly.
are coming out. You are coming out loud and clear.
Okay, just want to be sure. So why I say something at the comment section that our people will learn in a hard way is this. Sometimes something will be happening. Our people will feel less concerned. And upon that, anybody that rise up to save them, they will always follow the Zoom media and their doings and fight against their own person. I overheard this criminal that called himself Udele also bashing on Chinonsoba and Nonsonkwa, that animal, what he's doing there, blah blah blah. They have to do him. They have to do him that. Nonso Chinonso is a human activist. Is a human rights activist, and whatever thing he says there in Imo State and what is happening surrounding is what our leader Nnamdi Kanu has been saying before it began to happen. Previously, when our leader Nnamdi Kanu was saying that, this same Nonsoba was against him, but today he is the one shouting and preaching self-defense. But what do you have there? This criminal that called himself Udele is also, anybody that will come and speak anything that will be against Fulani agenda this guy will be out to, fight against that person. Now let me bring it down for those that doesn't know where this particular area is. I don't know how many of us. I school in Federal University of Technology with Futo. Futo is just like Futo is a land that three communities has. It was three communities that has that land where the Federal University of Technology situated. These communities are Ihiagwa, Obrinze, and Eziobodo. Ihiagwa side, Ihiagwa is on the axis of Naze stroke Owerri town, on that axis. Then Obrinze is on the axis of Port Harcourt road side, while Eziobodo is on the axis of maybe if you don't know anybody that knows Echie, from there you can link to Echie River State. This places has a mass land, and this Obrinze in question, Army Barrack is around that place. Army Barrack is in Obrinze. From Obrinze to where to Futo and where this thing happened. Obinze, Obinze, Obinze.
Okay.
So the Army Barrack to Futo is 10 minutes drive. Now this thing happens close to Army Barrack. This Okoko is saying, where would these people come from? These people, he forgot that military are the one they are using to conquer us in Biafra land, because they were unable to use the ragtag terrorists. They are now using the military, and now they use this criminal that called himself Udele to fight against our people that is securing us. They with his like, they fight them. Now they now see that yes, that they have succeeded in fighting those people. This thing they just did in Obrinze and in Eziobodo is testing the microphone. I'm telling you the gospel truth. This thing is testing the microphone. They have tried this thing now, but not on this manner. They tried it in on the axis of Naze stroke Olakwo side, and there is another community there as well. They tried it, but the way they are doing it there is they are kidnapping our people from the farm. That is what they are doing. Then our people over there gather themselves, put themselves together, comb their bush. Mazekai, this one now, in a low key, no camera, no video. I'm telling you, gospel to now. I don't know if you came across the video where they were shooting all over the place. They were shooting left, right, center, periodically on that Futo road. That same night, the same day this happened, they were on a bike. And those bikes, they will not enter bush with that bike. After that operation, my brother, they are going back to Obrinze, which is where they camp. But this Okokona is talking rubbish. Did they come from north? Did they come from this? How many times have we seen truck bringing these militias late night, dropping them? But he now asking you, where did they come from? Did they come from north to here? But he forgot how they have been dispatching them. The one they captured in Anambra State. Is it not the same dispatching? They will come in a truck, normal. Then after which they will now dispose their tools. So my appeal to our people is just wake up. That self-defense our DPM talked about, it is now. And let them not wait. If possible, let them begin to comb their bush as it stands now. let them begin to comb their bush. Because before they strike, Mazikai, as I'm talking to you now, in Owerri Municipal, no more Okada riders there. But Okada riders now resulted in operating the communities around Owerri. My brother, 99.9% of Okada riders there now are Fulanis. They are Fulanis as we speak. 99.9%. How do they do it? Hana nakwa cheap. Even the boy 1,000, Hana get 500. These people have entered us deep. But the bad news over them is that there is no how they will succeed. This in her name are not. Hamecha, Hachushan them, Hakampo, Oga walk on a lie. And the mother when they have it. It pains me most whereby open an etipia. Oga ha wunde na sabotage. Oga ha would their relative. Or you say with me. That's my anger. So my people, Fulanization is real. Fulanization is real. Islamization is real. We have to wake up. My happiness is that USB is here. And that is what we are holding firm. And the more this thing happens, the more the international communities are seeing it, because we are already there with all our requirements. Thank you so much, my brother. I can see our sister Divine Precious in the house. My dear, you are welcome. Yes. Thank you.
Divine Precious, thank you so much, Divine Precious, have the mic.
Thank you, Mazikai. Good evening, sir.
I greet you.
Happy New Year.
I wish you all the best.
You are not to go back, but all good. Aba from Jaboto Maka Bata na-ekwuzi na ịchọghị imechi si maybe na ọ bụ na ọ dị ọsịsọ. So ọ maka triple M bata ka m jiri sizi ka njọs kene amakwa m na ọ dị ọsịsọ so all right, triple M ekenekwa m. And our brother Nokwa in the house, Afurama for Mandeo. Biafrans, greetings to you all. Okay, to go better, but all the of more because we naga all round well. I'm in my platform, name it to the little I can, but for life for some time now, for a long time now, or some weeks, I'm off from it for some reason best known to me. Mana all for the good for Biafrans. Oboro na ngala ma obu ihe na. So nekene onye obuna for whichever one you are doing, because my greatest joy kita bụ na nke ikpeazụ a nke ndị na-awụbata and all for our USB. Ha na-eme wonderful there ka onye ọbụla dịsị ka ha nọbụ since there. Oh no, spirit anọ oh no one. If ha na onye ọ dị ka ọ dị gị na nke ezigbo, ifu the speed, ifu the zeal, ifu the passion, ifu the sincerity, ifu the reality, every truth ọ naghị agba ngongo. Ifu ha na nke ezigbo ọ naghị adịsọ ihe mana nke bụ na ebukwa try to be what you are, because anya na-aṅụzi iyi kịta anya afugo ndị gagidere a confuse dịka ndị achalugo gasị na confuse, because onye dị wise anaghị achọ ka a confuse ya. Inwelu thinking faculty ga-abụ mmadụ na-eme ihe ọ bụ na ịghọtara ịjụ ajụjụ, ịjụ yourself, not just ịjụ ajụjụ, your own person, your own self bụ the first advisor before any other person, because onye ọ na-eme ndị mmadụ aja alafu maka ọ bụ na ịnwetanwughị information within you. Anybody, people can deceive you. When nobody confirm why within yourself, when you're not agwazi, you weigh the two. You don't go, you must surely find out whether it's this way or the other way. You go to confused when it abana two speed. Like many people say, have a hana speed, how many you fell on a head hana stars. So because of that, money make it the fair for us here. Opening when I said to that concluding. Maka enwe many drop ma ha anaghị ekwu against me ka do na ha just na die mana ọ bụrụ na iwe ike bụrụ na njọ nwe ike no we something me mana ihe kacha njọ bụ ndị ga-aba ha na ha jezi na agba war ma nke dị physical ma ndị nọ hidden maka enwe ndị hidden ị naghị afụ mana ha na-arụ ajọ ọrụ bụ ndị one of us gagidere ije anụnwa egobiri ha. So because of it, I'm very grateful to our people. I just speak. God bless you for this because I won't just say and so my man is a pleasure. I will under the counter and more are coming. Oh my God, is origin at Twitter. Yeah, sometimes when they post, I'm on a 50 now you can the so because of that, I go nine. I'm an emoji speaker koji because to and he's alike. He can go a guy for go has a chill up about mana my greatest joy when I'm the bany awake go. Yeah, I'm an asking that they will learn how to learn what use but because he won't wake hand habo ha agba ọsọ million nya ozu ego ha because onwere onye chọrọ ka onye nke ya nwee any issue based on ha ọ bụzi buying and ma na ndị anaghị abịa ka ha gbufodo ha na-abịa for buying and otu okịta na-elu ndị buying ahụ others are waking up forget about na onwe ihe mere mgbe ọ ga-esu Chineke na mere amara na ọ bụrụ ọwụ ka anyị na-agba ọ nweke ka esi akpọta udu nke anọ defense ụdị war a na-akpọ ụdị nke anọ a enwe ka PM si akpị gorilla warfare among ụdị nke ahụ nya aga akpụ ya real war mana agha na-ada ịghọta enwe nke bụrụ
asymmetric war
nke ọbụla akpọkwara ya ihe mma bụ na Chineke ga-eme amara anyị ama n'ụdị agha nke ụdị nke aha anụvo before mana nke a nụnwa Chineke ga-enye anyị mere because everybody knows the truth anyị ma na onye na-atụ asị ọ ga na-eze mana anyị nọ na the right anyị nọ right position so anyị dị proud onye anyị kachacha atọ m ụtọ n'ihe ọbụla na-eme ịma anyị abịa sị gị ekwuchekwe n'ihe efu ekwuche ka mkpụwa anyị steji anọ kịta kwuo ihe efu na eluigwe amabalị because na ihe ha na hide bụ their greatest weakness anytime o mere expose ike agwụ ha mana ọ bụrụ na o nwere ihe dịka anyị na-eme na ịchọ ọkwa ka amalị datin ka a ga-eji wee don onweghị ihe enweghị afụghọ m anything anyị na hide both from our leader Maazị Nnamdi Kanu to this our DPN ọ bụgodị na o nwere ihe ọ dịka somehow ha mee emechekwe the real result ga-agba the result a ga-abụ for positive it doesn't matter the way you see it ana m ekwukarị ya most of the time so because of that anyị ejine ka maybe nke ebe anyị dị confused anyị na-agba oke speed ọbụghana na ịma na this gọọmenti nọ n'ime no right one n'isosi ga na-ayọ Chineke nna bụ ka ha fi nya mistake ha na-atọ to miracle onye eche na ọ ga-ebutu ha na ọ ga-ebu n'ihe that's always my own prayer because as human being and the kind of difficult this nation not dey to get ịma ihe akpọzi gị last miracle ịmakwa ebe miracle adịghị dị common miracle bụkwa something na happen in once in blue moon abịakwa gwa gị no last ama two things dị too difficult combined together so ọbụla ya bụ na otu ọbụla o si aga anyị na-afụta na favor we must be surely ours because ọ dịgodi ka ọ na-amara eme Chineke ga-eji aka ya dozie and all through you and me ka ọ ga-esi wee mee so nke ọbụla onye na-emejisi ike and my brother kịta akọwalụ na efu na it doesn't matter who come out to say nothing is happening anyị na-afụ ya n'anya anyị ekpuru odishi ọbọzi nke a na-eme na agwa gị iji anya afụ gị kịta iji anya ga-afụ ya na Maazị Nnamdi Kanu gwa ha this is not 1976 1967 ọ bụrụkwa that time ihe ahụ ọ gwa ha kịta bịa na-eme thank God for social media maka ọ bụ na ọ bụghị social media nwanne ihe mmụtago na these few years join this movement agụtara m ya na university in 4 years nọ ọgụcha onwe dị ya ngwara just waste my money na school because o nwere ihe mma so because o nwere ihe agụtara ebe ahụ master your course is not education. No, being educated is knowing things around you, knowing many out of even your field. Because just as we stand now, I learn both man history, both man attitude, both man psychological area in many ways. You got that. So because of it, so because of that, I just I know and Biafrans and they work on Nampol or just carelessly. I'm there on my post on my page. Once in a while, I never get there on your banana for wake Banyalia live. Man, on a deputy for reason way and then I'm gaming I've been trying to engage in one course but even as I'm talking to you now, distract so because of it, I have to bridge some areas like being in life, like only taking much time. Then man and because entirely. I wanted to be off from media. So because of it, I'm managing myself within my own man and little because as soon as I'm ready for the exam, I have to go for it. And English country on a I must have to do some things again. In life, you must have to balance it, otherwise, or in life. So, Biafran engage there, but thank you. Or anytime, I'll be coming, but not as usual. Can't say never before, and it's for good. Thank you very much. Mazikai, also because over here, I feel distracted. So, thank you very much. All the guy, but you go to the other room. All the guy, but you go to the other room.
Yeah, my dear sister, thank you so much for your contribution. Come, Uncle, God, here they made Ukugidima. Our brother not dead. The next person, I'm again. So again, so him again. My brother, Ocean Monster, the next person, our brother, guy. So Okombo man, please, can you take the mic, please?
I've been away for some time. I just
Are you there?
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Come closer to your mic, please. It's sounding so deep. Go on. Yeah, yes.
Okay, so yeah, I was saying greetings to everybody in the house, Mazikai as well. I've been away for some time. That was why I from time to time, just like what our sisters say, I just if I see any chance I can enter and talk. You see, I came very late. I see this face Udele, they call him or whatever. I've been seeing all the nonsense he has been making on social media, trying to because of where they are feeding him from. They say when somebody is dancing, there's somebody singing. Odele is not just doing that because of his power. He has no power. He has nothing. It's just because Nigerian government know the kind of people they will use to come and try to distract, which they are not even succeeding. They are seeing the handwriting on the wall. Nigerian government is just playing their last card. They've lost everything. They know it. The move of the United States of Biafra right now has clearly shown to them that they are nowhere near distraction anymore. All these things you see with Dele, Kenguru Agu and Co, they are doing is just because they are like a cult. They have taken money, they have sworn to do the job, and so the job has not been completed according to them. So that's how they are still doing. Even if you look at Udele himself, you will know that he's even tired for that job. It's just that the thing is like a court. You've entered, you can't come out. If you see Kengo Ruagu, the way he was saying yesterday when Mazikai was trying to play one or two things from a Kenga Ruagu, if you watch him, the way he was doing his shoulder and all that, it shows that he doesn't have anything else to say. He himself knows very well that he's even fake. Everything that is coming from a kangaroo, you can see very clear that it's fake. They are trying to force themselves. They know that they have lost the battle. Okay, so for Biafrans, I know the pains is there, and every day we hear all this bad news, and we know what our people are trying to hold back, and the confusion they are bringing. Our people are defending it very well, but it's because they are, Nigerian government has a lot of money to spend, so the oil money from Biafra land is what they are spending. So it's not their money. They don't care. They can use it to bribe anybody on this earth, even in the bottom of the sea. They want to go there and do something. Then that is why I have to tell Udele that anything they are doing now, they shouldn't forget that this time we are now
it's an internet, social media time that things doesn't just disappear. If things that happened in 1967 could not disappear when there was no social media, all the evil things that Nigerian government and British government all they did to Biafra, thinking everything will be hidden underground. Even in those days that journalists were using pen and paper to write keep their record and all those things. Still here, these things still come out. So if they know what they are doing, they should know that this time around, internet can save anything. So anything any of them is doing today, they should really assure that this thing is going to bounce back. That aside, the more reason why I call, because I didn't follow the program from the beginning, I just joined. The more reason why I call is that you see that Obinze barrack of a thing. That Obinze barrack, that was where PM Mazi Simon Ekpa was focusing. He told them that Obinze barrack would be flat. That was the fear of Nigeria. That is why they did everything to see that the whole our prime minister and take him away for some time, because they know that if the prime minister was still there till now, Obinze barrack would have relocated. I know that for sure, would have been relocated. And you see those people coming out from there causing terrorism, using motorbike to do all those distractions they are doing. They are all coming from Obinze barrack. Obinze barrack is their cover-up. And if anything is done to remove Obinze barrack, you will see that terrorism in that part of Biafran land will be completely silent. It will not work again. We will know for if it's our people or if it is our ordinary police are doing, we will know. But so long as that Obinze barrack is there, that's their cover. That is their where they run for cover, and because it's Nigerian government that is sponsoring them. So that aside, and what I'm saying is that you see that Obinze barrack. If some of you, if you can remember history, immediately after Civil War or something, I think I was still a small boy. I think around 1978, is it 79, 80, thereabout. There was a barrack in where they call Ugeb in Cross River State, close to where I come from. That barrack was there, and the military were doing almost close to the same thing they are doing right now in Obinze barrack. The people, ask people, history, anybody who knows what I'm saying, I will tell you this thing I'm trying to say. The people fought that military, those military barracks, they fought it, and that's how they removed that military barrack from Ugeb. Today, most people who are just new, who just come, who are newly, let me say, people from 1999 to 2000, they don't know that there was a military barrack in Ugeb. The same way that Obinze barrack was there, the people removed it. They gave them hell. They removed the barrack and they took it to somewhere in Ikom. You see, so if Biafra, those who are defending Biafra land there, their target should be that Obinze barrack. I know they know very well that that was what PM was trying to do, and that's why they moved PM very, very fast. Because if PM was still here, Obinze barrack is a death story already. So all these things with delay and all these things people they are talking, anyway, they are just entertaining themselves and trying to complete their job. Otherwise, they know that they have failed. They have lost the battle. Nigerian government knows that they have lost. This is the second time Nigerian government is losing to Biafran government, to Biafra. The first one they lose in 1967. That was why they used a food blockade. If not the food blockade they used, Nigerian government know very, very well that Biafra have left them long time. It was the food blockade they used that encouraged by the British government and all the supporters, whoever was supporting them then. You know, if they leave Nigerian government with Biafran to do the show, then they know that Biafran was already doing what they're doing. We don't buy guns. We do all those things by ourselves. We manufacture Ogunigbe and things like that. You see, and that was the number one fear Nigerian government have. That is why they are doing what they are doing now. Now they are doing intimidation. What they are doing now is intimidation to put fear in the people. That's why they do. Those people are not too hard, difficult for our people to capture and put them away from that place. It's just that the real master who knows the strategy have been put aside. And the other people who delay and all these people are the sabotage. When they get information from the Biafran side, they're going to expose it to the Nigerian government. And tomorrow you see Nigerian government will send any kind of people and come there. They will tell you that they are terrorists. Any killing you are seeing in the southeast is done by Nigerian government. Read my lip. All this one they're saying Fulani this, Fulani that is Nigerian government. Because after Fulani did what they did, they run to that barrack and hide. And so they are covering for them because they are working for them. Nigerian government is the real killing machine in that country called Nigeria right now, together with Southeast. Anytime you hear unaliving of people, either from Sokoto to Plateau to Benue to Kwara to anywhere, it's Nigerian government that is doing the job. It's clear. No, but see, it's no longer a hidden something because you can't. Abacha said something before he died. He said anything that happened and there is any crime that result that the government cannot find solution for 2 weeks, automatically means there is government itself knows what is going on. So Nigerian government knows those who are unaliving people. They imported them. They strategized them. As I still talking now, they know that.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me, my brother? He said.
I'm listening.
Any terrorist that lasted for 24 hours, there is hand of government in it. Then go on.
2 weeks, yeah. Abacha said it before. Abacha, the former head of state of Nigeria, the one that died. That's what he told them. So for terrorism to last in Nigeria for years, it don't happen anywhere. The government knows it. Come to think of it, how many times have they fingered Shatima? That he was hiding Boko Haram in his house, the leader. How many times have they fingered this one? What is it called? Rufa, the one that is NSA Ribadu, that he give arms, AK-47 for whatever to some group of people. And when they asked him, he said he was giving them for defense. So the people who are doing this terrorism are in the government. And so when people are saying that the government is not doing anything, they go, how do you expect government that is masterminding the whole thing to do something? Except the people will rise up and defend themselves like what the Biafran people are doing. It's just that we don't have some real machines like they have. Otherwise, they know. Even with the little machine that Biafran people have, Nigerian government know that they can't penetrate there. The only thing keeping Nigerian government in that Biafran land as we speak now is that Obinze. Mark my word, if Obinze is being removed from there, they will just hands up. That is what it is. That is what it is.
You know, because you know this,
so what Biafran should do now?
Yeah, you know, because you know all those things. That's why
I'm listening.
That's why you sound differently from what Udele was sounded like. What Udele was trying to say. Udele was asking where are they coming from to penetrate. He forgot that the Obinze, all this bad.
No. See, Mazikai.
Yes,
Udele know where they are coming from. Listen to him. Udele know where those people are coming from. Forget what he asked. His question is just a formality. Udele knows that those people are coming from Obinze Barrack.
So, I'm not saying that he don't know, but what I'm trying to say is that he don't know history, he don't know anything. All he knows is
see, Mazikai, even if he doesn't know history, Udele is being paid to work for Nigeria. So he will not even listen to this history that I'm telling you.
Yeah, I agree.
He cannot listen to it because it's a cult. They've entered the cult. Udele, Ikenguru Agu, Chinas, and all these people I'm telling you, that is why Mazin Nandekano was saying that he needed 100 men. So if I hear people saying now that the 100 men of Mazin Nandekano, the so group have come to take over, that it's rubbish because when this man needed that 100 men, none of them come out with the 100 men. They didn't come out. It was only PM that volunteered to say he should look for 50. He himself is 50. And the 50 is shown. It's the 50 that is working now. It's the 50 that declared Biafra. It's the 50 that is giving Nigeria the headache. So the rest, you now see the reason why Mazin Nandekano needed 100 men, because he knew that all the other people, they are bloodsuckers, they are vampires, they are betrayers. They were just there. And Mazin Nandekano, when he came in, he was thinking that these people are having the same mind with him. Even then, he went as far as telling them that he will not disappoint us. And he still stand by it. If we can listen, like the news is coming out now that they send people to go and meet him, you see tell them that he does. If they should keep their freedom. If they are not going to give him freedom for his people, they should keep the freedom. He is ready to stay in Sokoto prison. That is a man who really won the rest of them are bloodsucker. They are the ones sucking Biafran people now as we speak. All these Kongaruagu, all these people who are on the disguise of what is it called? This criminal in America. What he called himself ATM. I don't know. I don't just want to remember his name because sometimes all of them are bloodsuckers. They are paid people. They are paid. Adadi Orama, all of them. I'm telling you the gospel truth. If you listen to their brokers, if you listen to the words they have been doing, going front and back, because sometimes things they say, they forget that they have said it, and they will come back and try to say another different thing. So it's only a liar that says something and forget to remember exactly what he said, which is a foolish liar anyway. So these people, you see them dividing themselves up to Pastor Van. These people are distractors. They are the reason why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu needed 100 men. And he had found 50 in Mazi's Prime Minister Samuel Ekpa. And the rest are just shameless. They are not sure. They are now confused. They don't know what to do. Listen to what they are doing on social media. Magica, just listen to by you are listening to all of them. They don't have any reasonable thing. Like this other foolish woman now is saying that he's law or whatever. He went to Sokoto and they say they should give money. The DOS. You can hear that kind of rubbish. So sometimes I don't listen to all these things. And most times you do your program, sometimes I don't like to go to the link. Like I tell you, me, I'm a very emotional person. Before I know it, I just get carried away. That's why most time I don't like to comment. Because if you look at a liar, you know that he's a liar. The one Nneka was talking from Sokoto, I know that this woman has gone there to betray Mazi. And like what people are saying that the British government now want to send 4 people, according to the rumor, they want to go and see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. My own advice on that is that Mazi shouldn't see these people. They are either going there to unalive him. They are either going there to create something. Our British government have not done anything for more than how many years they arrested your citizen. You didn't go.
I don't think they would attempt to unalive him because American eyes is already on the case of Mazda. So they would have done that a long time ago. Now doing it now it will trigger a
they believe that it was going to get to this. Even British government never believed that they were going to get to this. Nigerian government themselves, they never believed that this show was going to go like this.
Yeah, it's true.
Even some people in DOS are being, what is it called, IPOB, when those were with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu then, they never believed that this game was going to reach like this. Their own action was just to, at the end of the day, they convert everything to political whatever.
You don't understand, my brother. You see Nigeria as a contraction, they have only one pattern of game, pattern of football. What they're trying to do with them as Nnamdi Kanu is exactly what they did to Wazirike. You see, Adibi, our PM never showed up. What our leader Nnamdi Kanu, what would have happened to him is that after some years, when they say underground, they will gather all the hefty men. They will go and meet him in the cell. They say, Onyendu, we have signed up. We are now joining Nigerian politics. So we are not doing it again. If you are here, you are on your own. Exactly what they did to Wazirike. That's what they want to do to our leader Nnamdi Kanu. But unfortunately, they never knew that our PM is there. The same way Goodluck entered into Asorok, that is the same way our PM entered into our freedom through tight corner. Go on, my brother. Thank you.
Yeah, so what I'm saying is because I know that's why I say Nigerian game is up. Anything they are trying to do now is just a kind of revision of the same old story and the same old tactics. They know Biafra is gone. The level of agitation where we are now is no going back. Where we are now, in the shortest time, that thing they are running away is already glaring in their face. They know it. And so the only thing they have to do now, like all this killing in the southeast in Biafra land, is just to instigate fear. They're just trying to put a lot of fear on the people. And the only thing that is still giving Nigerian government that lever to do what it's doing is because PM is not around, and 2, the level of the running of government right now with our DPM, the standard she's using, the method she's using does not require this woto. And that is another thing. If not so, assuming the men on ground or Biafrans on ground have the same weapon that the Nigerian government is coming with, believe you me, Obi that you don't need to go far. If they focus Obi Nzebara, mark my word, today, if Obi Nzebara is removed like today, all those Fulani in South, they will disappear. All those Southeast governors who are working against, they will escape. Nobody will sleep in Biafra land anymore. I'm telling you, just the God. So what is giving them that backbone is opening the barrack, and it's no opening the barrack is not only serving for Nigerian government. Opening the barrack is serving those who are sponsoring Nigeria to do all these things, because they are the ones who need all these body parts for whatever they are using. That is why it's still there, and that's why PM was saying that opening the barrack must go down. And so the fear was really with them, not only with Nigeria, with those who are benefiting from the opening the barrack. They know. So immediately PM was giving way. They see that they now have a playing field that they can play their rubbish game. But let them wait. Very short time, something will happen that will shock all of them. Already, the diplomacy in the USB government now has already given them a lot. Did you see the last time? What is a few days ago? This same new Ribadu that always wear his own agbada all the time before he do anything. See the last time he went and see the vice president of America. He has to force himself to wear suit. He was begging the man. He was caught on camera. You see, so they know. Anything they are doing now is just a delay tactics. They know that Biafra is gone. And the fear now is that if they bring Martin out like today, or Prime Minister Samuel Bakoma like today, you see that all those crude oil, they to stop. All those guys they are connecting pipe to whatever, only God know where they are connecting. It will stop. And those who are going to be badly hit are the same people who don't want Nigeria to Biafra to go. They know that if Biafra come up today, it's going to be the same thing like what Burkina Faso is doing to France today. France economy will drop, and the same thing UK will drop, because all what they are getting is from Nigeria, most especially the oil and gold unaccounted for, all the minerals unaccounted for. That is the reason why they are doing what they are doing. And they know the people who have the heart to do this thing. They kept them somewhere. The name Prime Minister Simon Ekpa being freed alone, even if he has not done anything, my brother, a lot of things, different things will happen in that Biafra land. If they release Mazin Nandikano today, they release PM today, they have not said anything. I'm telling you, mark my words, different thing will happen in Biafran land. A lot of them will move away. I see all this Soludo and Uzodima, whatever they call them. If they hear that they release Mazin Nandikano today, they will instantly disappear. They know the confusion they do. Just because if like where I was listening to, I just forgot the person I will look at the program was telling me they were saying how Dave Umai called somebody immediately. They hear that they have arrested, they have kidnapped Mazin Nandekanu. He called somebody and they gave him 500 million, whatever dollar, pounds or whatever. He said, "Don't stay there anymore. Leave that place." So they know, and those people are who? These are the Chinas and Woru. These are those people Martin Nandekanu was using as a DOS. That's why I see that DOS, they are still confused up to tomorrow. They are still using the gullibles who don't understand that this game is for some group of people, not for Biafrans. And those people are just benefiting themselves and so on. Look at the position that happened. I saw this video yesterday. I was just trolling. They said this same Lolo is in collaboration with the Chinas and Woru and whatever powerful, that they are trying to make a farm. That is the purpose why Lolo is condemning Mazin and all this one. That is the truth. So now you see why these people. That's I say. Sometimes I find it very surprising when the people don't understand, when they see these people who are telling them lies and they cannot see that they are telling them lies. From that Lolo, when I saw the first time I heard the video that he went to Southeast, he passed through the checkpoint, he was challenging the military, had a core gun, they almost lose a life. From that day, I know that this woman is a big liar. Because Nigerian government that I know, and you are writing a story against them, you are doing a program against them, like what Majika, all of you are doing outside now. They see you, they say, have any rumors that you are in Nigeria, they will take you away. And so Lolo was telling his own gullible listener that he went to a checkpoint, he was trying to capture what is happening in Southeast, he was fighting army on checkpoint and all this. That very day, the minute I listened to that, that's why I don't listen to that woman till the day I heard that she went to Sokoto. I say she has gone there for another lies. And truly, the whole lies have displayed. So me, at times, I don't know. I know all of us are not the same thing. When once you start lying, before you make the second lie, I know the truth. Every other thing you are saying, it just irritates me. So, but I'm still very surprised that people are still listening to Vam Vam Vam. People are still listening to Azaya Nyogu. People are still listening to Akbarawa. People are still listening to what is it called, Imam Madrabu and co. Because these people, immediately you hear them talk, you know that they are lying. They have committed themselves somewhere. They are only there just to fool Nigeria, Biafrans. And so some Biafrans who don't know, if they just come to a comment section, they type rubbish. Magica, let me stop for somebody else to take. You know, whenever I come in, I always get emotional. These people are just making somebody angry. Thank you for the time anyway.
Thank you so much. Thank you, my brother. God bless you for your submission. I really enjoyed that because it's always good to throw more light on all these activities of these people, you know, so that people will learn from that. God bless you so much. Ocean Master, let's hear from you. By the way, Divine Precious, thank you so much. You know, I was not able to, you know, appreciate you before you drop your mic. I appreciate you. Ocean Master, are you still here with us? Unmute your mic. Ocean Master is not here. Okay, somebody just joined us. That is Mazi Ekpa. Is it? Let me see if that's your name. Please unmute your mic. You just joined us.
Can you hear me?
Okay. Yes, you're welcome.
Yeah, so Ty, I've been watching you for a couple of months. Let's say a couple of weeks now, and I enjoy your content because what at some point, if a man tatakwan on the bio because propaganda ndị Nigeria me Simon Ekpa. Simon Ekpa is not a strong man, he wouldn't have survived it. Up until today, you can call a normal Enugu person. What do you think about Simon Ekpa? All I said, only life at home. You understand? What the main thing about this comment now, this up here is that I saw a news that has a picture of Nneka, aka Imeji, aka Nwanyị Pong. Afum picture ya ebe poster APC ebe ọ na-azọ ha for House of Rep Ọka South. Asị m ka m gbuwa dị aka oyibo nsogbu allegedly.
Ọ ga-abụ ndị
maka na ọkịfụ ndị Asia niile na-akparị n'ịntanetị ọrụ ha na-adọka one after the other. Onye tinye isi ọrịa adọka, onye tinye isi ọrịa adọka, onye ọbụla tinyere isi ọrịa adọka, efu na Biafra spirit abụrụ ya ụmụaka.
My brother, if you got what na ime ife na-atọ m ụtọ bụ na my happiness ebe ife like ife why na-eme bụ ọ na-aga aka n'ebe aka n'elu ọchịcha nọ ya oge eme ata ka ọ bụrụ maazị na mọdụ ka anọ
nnọọ ife ọrụ onye adọlila adọli.
I'm coming to you. Please go nowhere, please.
It's either APC or NDC. I think it's one of these parties. Each one for this news, then a post to Rose. On a post to Rose drop today about that woman. You will see that poster. I was checking it. If the poster, para
Rose.
Yeah, if I go there, say, can I everybody in the comment section? Can all the genuine Biafrans? This time around, onye chip top yani, onye obuna tieri isi or chip top yani.
Yeah. But if I did there, but that na imana ezoku na akwo na akolo yo to wosakwa na. So ị na-agba gacha ịbịa metu ya aka dee niile mechọrọ because ọ ga-agụ one day. So Mas Namadekano was somebody they well prepared, organically workable in terms of issue, in terms of all time no those say look at PM and DPM they follow. You want to go? So those of them manas na we even na whoever okay for him and or to see for ga we ma ọbụna agbadi ọbụna okwere ọsị ya na ị na-eme ka ị na-ata ị na-eme gị na-eme ga ọ to ya bụ ọnụ ị ga-akọwa anyị mana ịma odo ga na ọ mara mma ideche ya isere nọ na-eme ga maazị ka ọ na-achụ anyị na o ji ego anyị idechekwa ego ndị na-atụ ego ụmụ okoko na biko ka maazị maka na convert afọ movement ka ọ bụrụ na political party na federal gọọmenti kwegodu ike nguru akịta common $4,000 ọ ga-eburu mike ya makpuri n'ime akpa na narị somebody rejected ego maka ife kwe maazị na mmadụ ga nkwụ ya ọ ife ga-abụ na assumption a ga-eweta mmadụ 10 both ma ndị dọkịta ma ndị pụgoro kwuru okwu nwere onwe ma fa ga ma ndị otu m na gị nọta na comment section na ama nweta mmadụ 10 ga-ajụ maazị na mmadụ ga jụ ọ hịara
enwere m at least 5 billionaires na my family, yeah. Na-agbasa war for the past 6 years because na nkochiri na Nnamdi Kanu. Ịma their problem bụ na m eri ngo $1 Nnamdi Kanu na ma onye ọ bụ nsị ya na m amara onye ọ bụ mana ihe onye a na-agwa m na-aba n'ime mmụọ m. So if magi me ego gị jidegodo ego gị nọrọgodo one side ka nwetagodo ihe onye a na-akọ
ya na-akọ a na-asụdogodo ndụ azụ
ego ga jidegodo ya
nke ụdị biloni ga-abụ okay no
my brother this man ekwochigo m na the guy
gaa n'iru ribagodo chọrọ ikwu ọ chọrọ ikwu okwu
biko mba adị m ekwu too much na ịjụkwuo ndị nna aga na most of the panel mụ na River Goddess anọgo one time abụrụ m onye okwu abụrụ m onye chọọ I dey talk am as e be
baba
nwere ọzọ so onye tụrụ makwa na ọmalụ
agba tọọchị afọ ụzọ nna m
onye na-enye isi ya na-apụta
100%.
Daalụ ọrụ ọ ga-adịrị gị na mma nna m
the goddess
nna m ekele m
odo gị dịzi nọọ eke nke ikpeazụ a iwegoro onwe gị
na ha gburu nnọmbata 18 ọgenede nna m ekele m gị ekele m ife na-emere gị ife ekele gị n'ụtụtụ kelee gị na efifie kelee gị n'abalị ọ ga-adịrị gị mma jisie ike my dear brother kwulu okwu kịta ekele m gị nna m nya igburie nnọọ ịchafụ ma gbukwe ni egbuo ya n'isi kom and all ụmụnne m precious I greet all of you anyị mụ anya na-eme ụka enwe ike ike agwụ n'onye ọbụla na mgbe ọbụla egburu ọkụkọ sigidie ịma na ọkụkọ Igbo ahụ eghe eghe esigidie oruzie n'isi ọkụkọ ọghegidere ya niile ọ bụrụ ha n'isi ya ọkụkọ eghego banyere ife anyị na-ekwu ife m chọrọ ikwu bụ banyere ọnọdụ a ịma ndị na-afụ ụzọ na ndị na-ebu amụma na ndị na-ezi ozi ezigo people onye ọbụla ma ife obu enwere ike God enye gị the spirit of grace and feeling that na Chukwu nye gị the gift of grace ga-misuse oye you won't know you are not operating anymore in that grace. You have fall off from the grace and you are operating from the grass. Why did I say this? P2B is not a blessing to Umo Biafra as a whole. ọ bụrụ nọọ ikwue na a na-ekwu okwu. All this while, mgbe Peter Obi mere gọvanọ, na asị na Peter Obi na mmadụ na-sit down, some people na-take stock of their life. Ezigbo afa ka ego. Mgbe ahụ o mechere gọvanọ, o jejejeje zuo ike. Mara na president a onwe ha na ndị ugwu anwụọ na iyi, Caliphate nwụọ iyi, Sokoto nwụọ iyi, n'ọfanwa bụ ife ọkọlọtọ dị n'aka. Every 4 years, Peter Obi will come to confuse, to dissuade, to bring counter motion and counterfusion. Peter Obi, you are a man. 4 years ago, you removed the mind of Biafrans because then, all the kanya dotawago de odo. Everybody say ka happen. Na Peter Obi bụ nke anyị. Peter Obi bata ha ama, ọkụkọ agbasa ekpesi. Peter Obi bata, ife adị mma. Peter Obi bata, ọ na-achịba. Peter Obi bata, Maazị Nnamdi Kanu na-apụta. But this Peter Obi never mentioned your brother's name, never mentioned this movement. Unu hapụ ihe niile wee sodo Peter Obi. Emecha mee gịnị? Peter Obi anakwara ya that ife ahụ ọ felere na ya ga-emenwu. A narịa ya gbawa ya aka, run with it. Tinubu si na ihe a nwebụ ya grabụọ ya, ya ejide ya run with it. You get back. I na-aga court every day. It is in the court. Who owns the court? Peter Obi. You are going. You are contesting for your mandate. Who are the people who is sitting at the affairs of the government? When Simon Ekpa was there, you people, Simon brought out critical things concerning the offshore, what Peter Obi, the investment, the things. You people say, na Simon Ekpa buru na ajọ mmadụ. Simon, sunu n'ezi anya, we are no more looking to be in Nigeria. We are equal to leave Nigeria. Ka anyị were nu this opportunity. Unu si na ọwụ peanut butter a na-achọrọ unu from your mineral resources. E were ya na-azụ unu dịka azụ dị na mmiri. Unu feel ya nọ nke ahụ dị oke. Why am I saying this? Peter Obi is not a blessing to us, rather it's a confusion and a curse. Mgbe Mbaka kwuru okwu a, ewere ya because of movement Mbaka na ndị fụrụ ya n'anya na ndị kpọrọ ya asị. Then Maazị Nnamdi Kanu kpọkwa kwuo, you cannot do this, cha ọnọrọ n'ime. Now let me tell you, abịakwa again. Afụrụ na ụnụ anyị ebago ife unu na-achọ, ewekwere Peter Obi dobere unu as a bet. And I want to ask Biafrans, kedu ife Peter Obi megoro unu since? Peter Obi has been in the north. Peter Obi has been sponsoring their education. Peter Obi has been, drilling water for them. Peter Obi has been doing a lot for them. Peter Obi say he is a Christian and his name is Peter Obi, but Peter Obi is Mohammed Abbas. Peter Obi is sitting in the mosque with them. Peter Obi is dishing his hand in the same plate eating with them. Peter Obi has left to sit on a chair and Peter Obi is folding his knees. Kandi Awusa gwọrọ n'ana. Peter Obi has never dressed like an Igbo man. Peter Obi always dressed like Indugu. Peter Obi always dressed in black. Who is he mourning? Amahamu mobu AI ka eji wee yiwezie ya afe ndị Igbo wee yiwe ebidi n'onu. Unu force Peter Obi a force wee address yenye like that. Now, unu si na enwere funto a breakout. What happened? Unu si na achidatara ndị amị to down east. What happened? It's because of no. Let me tell you people one thing you don't know. Me, I don't like talking again. I'm with Peter Obi unu. they said that city boys, na onye ọbụla afụrụ kwuru city boys akwụchie na bottle. Onye ọbụla na-ekwu maka Obi agha. Now they know that Peter Obi na ha nwa ama ncheta aja maybe na mgbada anabunu. That's why they come to threaten you people with fear. Ọ bụrụ na unu ama unu mara ife election na mgbe ọbụla election bịara a na-ebi ndị Igbo ka na-ebi ọkazi, but ndị Igbo achọghị ịma ihe. Ọ bụrụ na unu bụ ndị Igbo chọrọ ịma ihe, why is it Peter Obi check 4 years election, check what is happening now. Now we bugori gbadatazie n'ime unu. Has Peter Obi made any statement about that? Has Osnebu Hope made any statement about that? No, nobody. Ihe unu ma bụ USB, ihe unu ma bụ Ngozi Orabaeze. That's all you people know. Then I come to nwaanyị isi Pinto. Maọbụ na primary school o, maọbụ na tertiary school o, maọbụ na secondary school o, maọbụ na high school, anyway ifuru nwaanyị ọbụla na-akpụ punk, nwatakịrị ọbụla ifuru kpughegere isi ya akpụ azụ kpughete ya ihu, jee na nwatakịrị ahụ. From nwatakịrị ntị adịghị ya n'isi. Nneka Chimezi unu furu si na ya amụtago somebody bụ a chemical engineer ka na-akpụ isi punk. What do you think about such a person? Di gị bụ Chimezie, I have to call you into this matter. Ama m na ị nọ n'ọkụ. Ụmụ nwunye di Chimezie, Nneka Chimezie, ama m you people will not F. Why? Because Chimezie is a woman junta. Chimezie bụ egbu ara ọbara. Chimezie, Nneka has security all around him. Ọ ya ka o ji eme ife ọ na-eme. Ụmụ nwunye di na meeting unu, ama m na ihe Chimezie na-eme dị njọ, mana unu aya ekwunwe okwu maka ndụ unu na ezinụlọ. Then Nneka Chimezie, imi ezi a na-egbuchasị ndị be anyị, mana gị na onwe gị bụ egbu ara ọbara. Maka na nwaanyị ọbụla ga-apụta challenge gị nọ n'ụlọ, a ga-achọ ya achọ. Nwunye di gị ọbụla pụtara bịa sị gị na ife ị na-eme na ọ dịrọ mma, na a ga-achọ ya achọ. Di gị nọ ndụ mana di gị nwụrụ anwụ, di gị bụ ajadu nwoke. Ma gụwa ma nke a na-akpọ Ono Ngwo si na ya bụ Bianca, maka unu na-asị Bianca Ojukwu, unu na-ewetere ndị Nnewi na Ojukwu afọ ọjọọ. Because na Bianca anụnwa anyị nọ na-ekwu na-asị my husband, my husband. I put it to you, Bianca Ono, you are not the first of Ojukwu. You are not the second of Ojukwu. You are not the third of Ojukwu. Neither are you the fourth of Ojukwu. You are the fifth of Ojukwu. Bianca, let me tell you, Njideka Ojukwu and her children, nobody has heard anything about them. They moved on. They know the legacy of their father. But because Nebo nwa onye Hausa, nwa Fulani born through way, you know how you came. Nne gị buru ogugu ụzọ na-abụ. That's why iji wee bịa na-emegide ndị Igbo. And nobody is seeing it. Then the same arụrụ ana sị na ya bụ anyanwụ mgbede, uche ndị mmụọ nọ ya bụ ife ga-eme n'isi ya, wants to become a widow too. Ka unu bụrụ widow association. But unfortunately, isi maazị kara aka, because we would have been in another bondage. Lolo Chimezie is still alive, but as na enwe one pastor say ụmụ nwanyị ndị di ihe nwụrụ anwụ ha pụta ka enye emere ha widow offering. One woman wee gara wee pụta. A na-asị ya, madam, ị na-apụta ọkwa di gị nọ ndụ? Ya sị ha ekwu ekwele ihe ahụ ọdọ. Na die nke one ihe ọ nọ ndụ ọwụ ndụ ka ọ nọ na ya ukwu nwaanyị ajadu. Chimezie is alive, but Chimezie is gone because a man that cannot control his household is as well as gone. Then, Chimezie, you told us here that you are walking in your sight, meaning that what is said about you is true. What side are you walking on? The side of you and the China Samuru. But the only thing I want to tell Biafrans, now, you people felt you are doing Simon Ekpa. God will punish all of you people. Chineke ga-atụ na ahụhụ ebebebebe. Kunu niile ra. You people does not want freedom. But you people are talking about freedom. But you don't want that freedom to be actualized because of your selfish interests. Egbe eluigwe ga-agbagbu unu niile. It shall never be well. Ọ ga-adịrị unu mma. Why do I say this? Look at nwa nọ na Turkey a na-akpọ Udele. When the history of Udele came out, onye wepụtara his life pattern obiri as a krimo, as Deriko Nwamama, is Nwashigburobi. Nwashigburobi, there was a time in newspaper, ewepụtara ihu Udele as a wanted person na Onitsha. I saw a program he did when he was talking about Masop. Etu esi were finish ndị mmadụ na Onitsha. Or say then, agbanyegi that Peter Obi is not his fan. But that was when Mazi was saying, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, concerning Ezu River. Keme autopsy, Peter Obi, what happened to those people? Nobody said anything. Nobody else. Ezu River, ndị ahụ eburu Biafrans wee jeje wunye during his own tenure. When the fire was hot on Peter Obi, he ran to Obasanjo to seek for help. So unu echekwana na anyị amaghị ife na-eme. Ọkwa mkpụrụ onye kwuru ka ọ na-aghọ. Then I want to come in gbasatara this Udele of a person where a criminal na atụrụ order. If Udele abụghị Nigerian agent eyuzuru against unu nwa bụ ndị Igbo, unu nabata ya, unu aha ekwu okwu, Udele na-aba mba ihe ọ ga-eme unu. Udele fụ eziokwu, nwoke egbuwara isi pa ọkada na-agwa onye bu ya n'ụzọ adịghị ebe ahụ a na-aga, n'ụzọ adịghị. Onye bu ya na-asị ya na-aga. The guy did not make use of his mind, knowing that na onye o bu n'azụ bụ enemy. Now, Gimwabu Udele wants to analyze ife mere, iwepụtaghị obere nwa ahụ egbuwara isi, iwepụtaghị onye nke agbara egbe n'ọkpa, iwepụtaghị ndị niile ozu ha dọsa. Ihe iwepụtara bụ that man na ọ bụghị ndị Fulani terrorists, ọ na-abụzi ndị one. When Simon Ekpa was crying about Osinobi Nze ka ọba nze, na-anụ ọgụ ya, na-anụ, unu si ka apụta Simon ka egbuo. When Simon kicked against kedu ife a na-akpọ ya ọkwa, kedu ihe a na-akpọ ADP camp, biko mee mistake unu correct ya.
IDP.
Ọkwa IDP camp.
IDP camp, yes.
Yes. Oge Simon fought like an angry lion. Mgbe o notice what is about to come. Na asị na chọrọ ibudatara anyị ndị ugwu ka ha bịa na ID camp Owerri.
Nke ahụ wụ namba anọ sef. Ọ namba anọ.
Ndị wrong biko unu correct am na uche ahụ ezucha oke. Ọwa ihe Simon mere. Simon wee sị afụkatakwa afụbie na ọya ha eme. Simon fought. Ihe unu ji kwụọ ya ụgwọ was to gather yourself. Mbosi dike, ụta dike ka egbuo dike, ụta dike ka egbuo. Mgbe ihe dike rụziri, apụọzi dike. May God visit all of you. May God Chineke kpee unu ikpe ọnwụ, kpee unu ikpe ndụ. Wee tinye Simon Ekpa na Maazị Nnamdi Kanu na-achọ isi Ngozi Orabe ebilite n'oche eze ya. Chineke na bụ unu agha. Ka unu oles mụ na-apụtara kwuo eziokwu, mana ọ bụrụ na unu ka nọ n'ime mmehie, unu ka nọ n'ajọ ife na-achọ onye ga-egburu unu onwe ya, Chineke ga-ajụ unu ajụjụ ọbara ndị unu gburu. Ọmandịrị unu mma. Otu a ka agha ga na-ada. Otu a ka ị ga na-ebe until unu apụta renounce ajọ ife. Mgbe unu pụtara n'igwe, ma nwoke ma nwaanyị nọ n'ala Biafra, na anya asala ulu, na anyị afụtaghị eziokwu, Chineke biko nyere anyị aka. Chineke biko gbaghara anyị. Mgbe aka unu ga-afụta ife. Mana ọ bụrụ na arụrụ a na unu dọnyere ike, nwanne unu afụbeghị ife ọbụla. Kama na eziokwu m maara na Chineke ga-ekpuchi ndị nke ya. Oke, udele na-aba mba na-etinye unu egwu n'ime. M wee na-ajụ gị, the gallant men, the gallant warriors, ụmụ ndị nsọ, nwoke ibu unu, udele chalenjiri unu tinye isi n'ọfịa because unu ele na birthright unu resịrị ndị gọvanọ, resi hope ụzọ dị mma. Then nke a na-akpọ Chinasa Nworu nwee the effrontery ịgwa ụmụ Biafra that na-ewere ESN wee nye ndị gọvanọ n'aka. Then na-apụta, then anyị nwa bụ ndị na-epush na-ebe akwa ka ife ya esi dị mma from diaspora. Unu si na Ngozi Orabaeze nọ ya ka isi ewale unu n'aja, unu ga-eji si nke unu wee chụọ ya. Nobody can challenge udele. Nobody can challenge Ikenga Oruagụ. And ihe a niile bụ mixed blood adị amụnyere unu. Ikenga Oruagụ ruo ọ na-aba mba. So Ikenga Oruagụ is the governor of Anambra State. Soludo is just an idiot. Just n'ebe a na-ezuzu ezuzu. Nke a na-akpọ udele, ọya nwa bụ ife na-achị, ya ọya nwa bụ assistant Tinubu. You people can do nothing. Ihe unu ma bụ ọnụ. So what am I saying? Now, ife eji bịa mee ife emere na Funto, abịago tinye unu ụjọ n'ime. Abịa ihe a dị ezigbote ụjọ ka etinyere unu n'ime. And unu nọrọ na-ele anya. Every day a na-ebu propaganda enweghị isi, nke a na-akpọ isi kachiene. Every day ọsịgụ ụmụ aja ana na ụmụ aja oke o rejiene. Ngozi Orabaeze, let us protect ourselves. Self-defense. Unu nọ chere ata na Ngozi Orabaeze na-egbuchasị unu ntọ. Ngozi Orabaeze wepụta survival whistle. Unu nọrọ na platform unu dowe isi ka ndị abụrụ ọnụ. Ngozi Orabaeze na-egbuchasị unu niile ntọ. Ngozi Orabaeze si nekwanụ what is about to happen. Ka anyị gbanara ajọ ife. Ọkwa ife ụdị squad anụnwa ka eri na-eme ohe. Unu si na Ngozi Orabaeze na ọ na-ekreti ndị anyị nke ihe ntọ unu. Now you have come to reality and the ball is at the center field. Play the game and let's see how it rolls. All I know that nke a na-akpọ Nneka Chimezie ọchụkpala na-abụ jide ofu aka ịnọ n'ime ị na-ata m n'afọ m. Ịnọ n'ime esi nọ ndị IPOB ka ọ ga-abụ ọ bụrụ na ADC gbanarị gị, Peter Obi bịara gọrọ ọfọ ọ gbanarị gị, then you come and launch on to IPOB if you have your sense. But let me tell you all, both udele, I was watching you this morning when you were bragging. The only thing that came to my heart, you can never be as strong as Nebuchadnezzar. You cannot be influential more than Nebuchadnezzar. You can never do more than Nebuchadnezzar. And I know that your end has come. The only thing, the air we breathe today, we own it not. You might be sitting there talking and it will be over. And it's your time to be over. May heaven and earth judge you people. And may God be anywhere turn on Nebuchadnezzar. And it will be a joyful day. I rest my mic. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Reverend Goddess. God bless you. Thank you so much. You said a lot, and I love the fact that you mentioned this P2B, because his own issue, to be honest with you, is a different thing altogether. We have been saying it. People have been saying that. I've saw some people clapping, that he's going to win the election. Oh, he's going to do this and that. Because you don't understand your problem. If you understand your problem, you know who is actually helping you to solve it. P2B can never, ever help you. If you see him as Nigerian president tomorrow, know for a fact that the reason why they allow him is because of this pressure. Okay, and Fulani know how to play this game very, very, very well. They will allow him to become Nigerian president so that it will not be said that the Igbos are not allowed. That one will will quench it. Before Marifenemena and Hope I am made. Well, I can I honestly, but at the end of the day, though, we are all in this thing. Whether P2B is the answer to your prayer or whether he's not, we shall all live to see that. And all come man upon him at a judge, you know. Thank you so much. And Osho Master, I called you before. I don't know if you're back.
No, I didn't hear. I didn't hear anyone, but I'm pretty much on cool, but when you're going on the mic.
But I called you, but you're not there.
Okay. They will thank you for this wonderful program. I greet everybody here in Okugu before I greet each and every one of you. You all did wonderful well. Mazika, I thank you for bringing this kind of message. You know, Manasi na when isi anabota onye webuta isi agwekwe. Let me start with the last word you said here, that na P2B not good na allow one to win, or people think it's a blessing in disguise. You see, so far as Nigeria is concerned, Nigeria is not designed for any Igbo man to rule. Nigeria was designed that no Igbo man will win an election in Nigeria. It is like that. Whether you like it or not, whether you want to accept the truth or you don't want. Even if you pretend not to know, put calculation from the history you know about Nigeria so far, then check if what we said is not making sense. Now, even if Nigeria allow P2B to govern in order to distract Biafrans or to Idochiga Ijemwelo Nwazu, you guys are going out, but you're still contesting under Nigeria. Even if P2B is given that chance, which you know that is almost impossible. If it happens, if P2B goes there, what will he do exactly? Even if he managed to do a little or he do something, after that 4 years, after that 8 years, what will be the outcome after he might have left the office? What do you think? This is where we feel sometimes we become emotional because now is that the best thing for us to do? So if it's not the best, then we have to tell ourselves the truth, the open truth. Now, if you ask me, I don't say that P2B is a bad man. P2B is a good man. So far as I know him, he's a good man. But it will be better if all of us join force together and achieve our desire, achieve our aim, achieve Biafra. P2B may be fit, he can be fit, he's a human being. He's a Biafran, he's fit to govern in Biafra land. He can contest in any office. I don't want to, go like people who say that P2B behave like a scavenger or he behave like, when food is done. That is why he's going from party to party. I don't want to say that. But if P2B is not behaving like that as well, he would have laid his voice.
with the weight he's carrying now, he would have at least add another voice to what we're doing that will make the world to, at least jitter, if not for anything. Now, I'll leave that. To the video that you played, Mazikai, about this man with the Gabanya here, this boy, this devil in a human form called Udele. Udele is defending Fulanis that the Fulanis are not the one did the disaster they caused in Imo State. Their last outing in Imo State, I think he's trying to deny it or to debunk it. And he's asking Nigerians where do those Fulanis converge before they move. If I understand his position clear. Now, if Udele is acting or pretend to act like that, if Udele don't know, or he knows, pretending not to know. Now, Udele, I want to ask you a little question, simple one for that matter. If you're looking at the area, the Fulanis, where they gathered or converged before they carry out their evil mission within Futo as is. Then I will now ask you, Udele, you live in Abuja, as you claim, or whichever part that you live in, either in the north or wherever. I want to ask you, the English Alaji showed a CSI, Chief Superintendent of Immigration, that the Fulani people adopted the two wives and 10 children, I think, in Zamfara. Now, where do those Fulanis converge before carrying out that mission? Udele. Where do the Fulanis converge before they attack villagers in all parts of Nigeria? From Benue Plateau, Zamfara, Katsina, Meduguri, Niger, Sokoto, Kwara, Ogun, the one in Anambra, everywhere. Udele, let me ask you, why the Fulanis did their first attack in Enugu State, where do they converge before they get to that destination and cause the mayhem they did? Where do they converge before they go to Uzo 1? You see, why I'm asking this simple question, I don't believe that Udele did not do. He knows too well. Mazika, I believe one of our brothers said that Udele knows too well, and I agree with him that he knows. He's just trying to, to play their cards. Udele knows what they want to achieve in Imo State, in Biafra land, exactly. These people knows how they gather themselves, how they converge, how they get their motorbikes, how they get their weapons that they goes with. They knows how to do it, how they do it. Of course, we are aware when our PM was here, before he was taken in, we have seen a lot of expositories where Fulani camp in different army, what do you call it? Army
barracks,
cantonment, cantonment barracks, and what they call is battalions. You see where they camp in any way you get military facility. some of them, they never hear any English or this, or they never been in that. They are not Nigerians, but you see them wearing camouflage t-shirts. It has happened a lot. Where Udene is in Abuja, he knew too well. Just like I think it was Maskai said it, or somebody said it here. A recent outing where the Brigadier General was round up with his boys, he was able to run and hide when he made a call and reveal his location for the enforcement to come and get him. What did he get? He get the Fulanis, came there where he is, completely unpick him. They picked him like a shaft of corn. And at the same time, they executed him on camera. Nigerian government, the CDS, Chief of Defense Staff, Chief of Army Staff, all other generals, Major Generals, all other Lieutenant Generals, all other Brigadier Generals, and all ranks, both colonels, they could not do anything. They could not track that the location of those people to rescue that general before he was executed. General Oba. Not only him, there are many of them that went like that. This history can only happen in Nigeria. And now, Udele, where do those people converge before they carry out all those attacks? These people are attacking barracks like today, no day, in Boronu, in Castena, in Niger State, in Sokoto, and they are making headways. They go to attack barracks, they succeed, taking armories and military tanks in the vehicles. Then finish the military personnel that are there. Where do they converge and do those things? Udele. You see, we all know where you stand for. Though you're trying to pretend as if what you're doing it right, but every Igbo man, every Biafran person that is typing for the ride on, giving him support. What is his name? The one that bears BAM, that do program that call BAM. What is his name? Oh my God. Udogwu Aisha or what? I don't know what's that his name. You see, all of you that give him voice, it is coming. It is really coming. I heard somebody yesterday, he said he's from Imo State. But he urged our DPM not to do anything, not even to send any Biafra elite squad there. I understand him. Because he's saying, let the people, eat the fruit of their labor. Those who have been castigating the Biafran forces, those who sabotaging, giving locations, pointing hands at them, let them eat the fruit of their labors. Somehow, I understand the brother. And if you ask me, I will say, let these people, let them taste that soup a little bit. So that obviously I want to go on because now ndị Igbo si na ọ bụ na ọkụ agala ka ọ ya agba azụ na azụ ada akpọ n'ọkụ. These people, some of them castigated Mazi Simon Ekpa. Let us just listen. Let us watch the programs these people they did in the past against Mazi Simon Ekpa, against the liberation armies. And the same people plowed Udele when He said he's in Osu with the DSS, with the military, with the this, that, with all the things that he claimed. And he was making videos saying that he went to the Mother Valley, he went to this, he went to that. They clown. Some of idiots came out and sat down and said that even in their own community, that have newspaper, just imagine such a word. But you did not know that the man you're supporting is just having different agenda from what he pictures to all of you. He's just trying to gain sympathy. And when the people that are defending the land give way, they will have, free leverage to come in. By then, they will show you the actual pictures they come with, and they will deal with everybody. They will deal with everybody. By then, it will be kind of a very difficult and in another level, to to take the land back or to prevent or protect. So today, you have seen on the tip of the iceberg, just little of it. I think they just want to test the water. They just test the ground a little bit. And ask yourself, why those Fulanis? Why is it that they choose Imo State? Why? That they choose Imo State to test this ground? Go and check, revisit our PM broadcasts, his programs. You will know why. Just like the Eastern Security and the Liberation Armies, started from the locations, be very strong, the presence very strong there. The same thing, these people, they are aware of some certain things and they want to use the same strategy. Remember that there is a man, that is a pig in Greek, who is there waiting to welcome them. I will not go there, but let us use our brain. It is time, it is really time that everybody, no matter what you think, is staring at your face. Whether you are in diaspora, whether you live anywhere you live, if you don't do something, your own father ancestral land, if not that they will take everybody down there, they will take the land. By so doing, you got on also forever. Everybody. But God forbid, we will not be also forever. Watch the Israelites, who their land was taken for over thousands of years. If you go by biblically, but look at them. After just about a couple of 40, 45, 50 years, before 60 years now, look at how they fought and get their land back. Get their own country back. And today, Israel is one of the leading countries that when they cough, the whole world needs to stand up and quiver. When you talk about America, you talk about Israel. When you talk about Europe, you talk about Israel. Whether it is in the open or not, they are everywhere very strong. So you as a Biafran, what are you thinking? What are you doing? We must have to come out and support this Biafra declared. Support it. Don't mind those who allow themselves to be used as saboteurs. Those who have been bought over. No. You know the truth. Support the truth. In any way that the people are fighting for their freedom, there are always some people, pocket ones like that are fighting for their stomach. And those who choose to be enablers. Since from the inception, it's always like that. So you don't mind them. What you need to focus on, what can I do to make different, positive, different, good one for this journey of Biafra to be completely successful. Today we are looking for recognition. After we have suffered and labored and put so many things together, people have went to prison for that. People are still in prison for that, but we managed to redeclare Biafra at Lati, Finland on 29th of December 2024. Today is your opportunity, just like my opportunity. To do what? To give the maximum support we can, to make sure that that recognition comes. If you're a person of interest, those who are influential, that can interest, that can attract the men that we speak, the voice that we speak, do it without any hesitation. If it is finance, if you're in financial capacity or capability, bring it out. No matter how big, how small it may be, bring it, support the government. United States of Biafra, USB. Make sure that they get to the right account. If it is whatever that you know that you are doing best, you can do best, even the social media, and I believe maybe the defense may need, they may not say no to the professionals in the US, like US soldiers and the other countries that, you know, may like to lay their voice. Contact them. Talk to them. If you know the countries that can give tools, that will help with tools for the people there in the squads to do the great things that they want, the way it is desired and supposed to be. Bring them on. It is part of it. Why we have to do that with every scenario is for our total freedom, for the freedom of our children and children's unborn, and all the lineage to come after us. Remember, why people have their ways in everything is because they think about today, they think about 1,000 years to come, they plan for it. Every time they plan for those years. Some people have gone ahead and planned for over 2,000 years ahead as we live in this 21st century. That means that if people are incarnating, whenever you come and incarnate your country, you will reap the dividend of that job you did. Biafrans is time. This is actual time. We don't need to continue crying, dwelling on all these saboteurs that their pictures are here. We must have to define a way. We don't have to cry for them, they have to cry for us because they are saboteurs. They will never have a way. On that note, we should remember our Prime Minister and our leader Mazin Nandekano in prayers. We should not mind the people that they brought newly, to create panic, to create, some negative energy in between Biafrans. No.
The ocean master.
We must have to focus on the positive energy and let us make things happen. Thank you, Mazikai, for a wonderful opportunity. May God bless you. May God bless you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. Yes. We are going to end it here because I need to see if I want to come back again because there's something we need to talk about. So I'm trying to see if I can buy our time I need to refresh before then. Thank you so much, all of you that joined me. God bless you. River Goddess, thank you, Ocean Monster. Precious, I see you. God bless you. Triple M, our own brother, Crumble Master. And all of you on the comment section, USB, my nation, please, my people, you need to also support this, our sister. Please do all you can and support her. Thank you so much. Ngozi Morin, God bless all of you. Thank you for your time. See you again. God bless you and bye bye. Don't forget to like the video in case if you forgot. Maybe you did not. Maybe you just focus on the message and you don't remember to like it. Do me a favor, do that and share it. See you again. Bye bye for now.